5-minute blue line. Buy stop US30 to the 5-minute blue line. Buy stop US30. To the 5-minute blue line. Morning, everybody. Morning, everybody. 5-minute buy stop. So it's a buy stop to the blue line on the 5-minute US30 line. Oh, am I tired? Okay. You should be in some money already on that call I just made a second ago. We're going to the 5-minute blue line right here. You can see it clearly. Let me get on TikTok. Sorry I wasn't here for the other ones. That was easy. I did get in earlier on one trade. I think it was 2. No, 3. I bought one each earlier, right when I woke up one time about 4:30 in the morning or some shit. I don't know. But anyway. All right. I wonder if the video's any clearer to any of you. You're up $73. $54, $67. There you go. Good morning, Mark. Good morning, Shash. Good morning, Peter. Good morning, Bootlegger. Good morning, Dunpeel. Good morning, Brave Trout. Good morning, Mark. Good morning, Rosh. Anyone take the can anyone see clearer on YouTube, by the way? Oh shit, we're on TikTok too. But I switched everything to like Ultra HD or some shit. I don't know. So if it's any clearer, let me know. It's a buy stop to the blue line on the 5-minute line. US30. Morning Metal Mine. Morning Ed C. 3 minutes to the market open. Just called out a buy stop. Oh, over and over again. It's going to be going up. It looks great. Oh, so sweet. I didn't know if it changed anything though. Ed C, good morning. Why is TikTok not loading in? Oh, great. I got to see what we're going to do. Is it long term? Hold on. Let me see something here real quick. 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, 5 minute, 5 minute. 30 minutes, 30 minutes. Oh, we're in a sell. I do have one sell stop. Sell. 1 hour sell. Ho. Up buy for short term, 1 hour sell. Hold on. Why these haven't engaged? Why is that doing that? At any rate. 1 hour sell. US30. 4 hour. Exactly. Hold on. Let me get these trades in before we get to where it's a 4 hour sell on NAS. We're not there yet on 1 hour. So 1 hour here trading. All right. So at least they have these sell stops in long term. All right. Buy stop 1 minute US30. I'm sorry, 5-minute US30 buy stop. And then why is my internet not working right? Why can I not get online? Less than a minute to market open. I think we're going to see a shoot up at market open. Then it's going to come down. I think we're going to see buy stops across the board. You're going to see buys here. Yeah, it just went up and touched the blue line on SPX. It already touched the blue line on NAS. 5 minute I'm talking about. I think we're going to see a little push up here on US30. Why can I not open up anything on this? Oh, crap. Okay, let me go over to TikTok over here. Good morning, Waleed. Oh boy, I hope you guys caught some of those buys. Markets open, markets open. Wow, markets open before I'm up. All right, let's see what happens here. We're on, this is US30. Let me go over here. Don't forget we have 5 minute buy stops in place, but I also have sell stops in place for the 1 hour. There's your buy up. There's your buy up. So the NAS has gone up. Let me go back over to here and see. Let me see if I can go over to here. Yeah. So just hang in there for a minute. We might have to wait for those sell stops engaged, but I don't think so. This looks pretty strong. Hold on a second. Yeah. Oh, we just missed a beautiful buy. Gosh, I hope you guys are in that shit. Fuck. Let me see what SPX is doing. Yeah, fill in the gap buy. We'll get some more buys here in just a minute. I'm going to go ahead and call. I'm going to go ahead and take another buy stop right here on US30. 1 minute buy stop US30. Now hold on a second because I have to get into something here. I haven't even told anybody I'm live yet. Fudge. Let's go over to looks like the NAS and the SPX are going up. Wait for the US30 to okay. Morning, Tanny. Morning, Sam. Morning, Waleed. 10 is an option now to stream was only 720. Yeah, I switched it, so I hope it looks better for you guys. Thank you, P Lee. Pete, Kev, good morning, Kev, and everyone. Good morning. Morning, Ollie. Morning, truck driver, Patriot. Morning, Dennis. Morning, Tanny. All right, now we're up on TikTok. Yay. Good morning, Strictly Polka Dot, and 48 other people there. Buy stop, US30, buy stop, 1 minute. I have to get this all cleaned up too, but at any rate, keep it right here. You can be aggressive or not. That's up to you. Aggressive. I don't normally call these out since I haven't been in these things in a minute. Hold on. Shit. Dun, 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 dun. Buy stop. Aggressive 32,118.98. Not so aggressive buy stop 32,132. Buy stop US30. I don't normally read this one out, but I've been asleep all morning, so I'm going to go ahead and take this one, and we're going to get into a few. These are buy stops across the board. US30 1 minute. Buy stop US30 1 minute. If you don't know what a buy stop, it's a pending order that's about to be activated here. As soon as that one goes up a little bit more right there, you're going to see that pop in. So boop, it's going to come up on you. Oh, I wish we'd have lost that candle. How much left we got? 34 seconds for this candle. Once it locks, it'll turn red, and then we can go on to the next trade here. I'm going to put one more in. Buy stop here. We haven't engaged any of those yet, so just hang in there. We also currently have, there we go. I like that one. I like that one a lot. All right, and then we're going to let it come down and down and down. Trading. And then we're also going to have a, wait right here for it. We're also going to have a, let me get this in place. There we go. There is also a sell stop in place. I'm already in a sell, never got out of the one. It's a 1-hour sell stop, US30. Yeah, 1-hour sell stop, US30. Technically, it's a 1-hour sell stop NAS, and it's a 1-hour sell stop, SPX, but let me go ahead and grab this. Hold on a second. You can be aggressive on SPX if you like. These are longer term. These aren't for right now, but I'm setting these up for a little bit later here. I wish I wasn't sound asleep, man. This is fucking nuts. Let me go back to the US30. This US30 is going to be a buy, but I want to catch these things right here. All right. So we have a sell stop in action, 1 hour, but you have a buy stop right now currently. Yep, absolutely, 100% buy stop, buy stop, buy stop. I'm taking this 1-minute buy stop, US30, no matter what. If it pops back up over here, I'm taking this trade. I probably have 3 or 4 or 5 trades open. So be ready for that. At the moment, I have 2 buys, a US30 and a NAS from earlier this morning, and I have a sell for US30 still. This is a 1-minute buy stop. 1-minute buy stop. You'll see green, 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 red, green, green, coming off of a 5-minute green, 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 fill in the gap, green, green, bouncing off its 5-minute line. This is, I should have been in this already. I didn't look at the 5-minute. Absolutely a buy stop US30. That's what I would take if these opened up. Take the trades and then grin and bear it. If it goes down, you're going to be crushed, but just that's what you have to do sometimes. The NAS not coming down. NAS has gone straight up as we thought, and now we're about to come into US30 coming up. Let's just wait right here. I don't want to move around. I want to wait right here for price action to come up now, and we can engage these trades. If they engage, take the money. You know the routine. If you open up 2 or 3, take money. There we come. Here we come. Engaged. We're up $80 on one, $95 on another, $122. So you're up. You're engaged on buy stops. You're engaged on these buy stops. You're in the money. Take the money out if you're over $100. Take the money out. What's up, Jesus B? Good morning. Good morning, Israeli Jackson. You're up $113, $149 on the buy US30 I just told you about. You're up $140. You're up $163. There you go. You're up $200. Close down one, keep one open if you have more than one trade open. There you go. Yet again, boy, I literally woke up seconds ago. I mean, I haven't been open up for like 5 minutes now. You're up the money. Yo, there we go. Congratulations. There you go. Thank you all. You're welcome, y'all. There you go. You're up 190, 257, 203. There. Damn, is that a beautiful sight right there? Is that a beautiful sight? I still have a sell on the same trade. I'm closing down one of mine. Well, here, I'll show you. We're up this one right there. So we're up 60, 94, 127, 194. I'm going to close down that 60, take some money off the table. Oh shit. Did my internet stop? Who's that? Get out of here. Yep, there you go. Look at the money. You're welcome. I'll check gold in a minute, not right now. No. Good morning, gang. Good morning, Patrick. Good morning, Jason L. Morning, Sam. Good morning, Tanny. Everybody, good morning. Who just made money on that trade? Who's making money on that trade? I just called this. Look at it go up before your very eyes. Green, 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 red, bouncing off the. I should have just. The only mistake I made is I should have been down here lower. I could have made more. Fuck, we could be up 50 pips right now. Oh well. Things get slaughtered. We're up 148, 194, and 261 on that last trade we just called. This is the trade I'm talking about right here. You're seeing it live go up before your very eyes. These are the earlier 2 trades that I called earlier, and then that is it. Look at that shit. Look at it go up. There's your money. Just happened a second ago. Literally, I'm still sound asleep. Let me check on a couple other things here. Oh, that's my cell. That's what I'm like, what the fuck? I'm showing you my cell. Oops, hold on. Wow, how fucking cool is that? Still have one cell going. The rest of these are all buys. So as you look at the profits right here, this is just from a buy earlier. These are the buys from current right now. 270, 235, and 202. These are all buy stops from right now. I closed down one already. Actually, I closed down two already. So I opened up five, closed down two. It's up to you guys how much you take and how much profit you take. You can head over to YouTube and TikTok, see each other. You can probably see much better. I need more than 30 likes on YouTube, please. There's 60 of you that just made money on that trade. Well, he said, me, said Sam. Thanks, said Jose. What's up, Keith? Keith Palmer is the gentleman you need to thank, along with Spidey. Keith is the one who's creating the scanner rooms, which are fantastic. And of course, the scanner rooms are built on how I trade. And the trade I just called you is up hundreds. You're going to see this little line turn green right here is up hundreds and hundreds of dollars. How much? You literally could be up these exact same dollar amounts. Those are the things that just happened. 300, 200, and 200. 300, 200, and 200. 350 and 300. But yeah, I'm still in one cell that is US30 from, I don't know, last week, I think. But that's only because we have a longer term sell stop right here that's forming on the 1 hour candle. So currently making shit tons of money. Take it up 400, up 500. Here it goes. Told you. It's going up to its 5 minute blue line in case any of you are confused of where it's going. It's going to come up and touch that line. When it touches that line, I'll sell at least two of these or more of these. You can see the buy stop off the 5 minute to the blue line. Now we're up $500 on these calls I just made 5 minutes ago. 500, 400, 300, 500, 400, 300. There you go. I'm going to go ahead and lock in a few of these now at this point. And it's going up to its blue line. How do I know it's going to blue line? Because NAS already touched its blue line and blue past the 5 minute. SPX has touched its blue line. Damn, if I should have called that, I should have. If I wasn't sleeping, son of a beeswax. Any rate, this is a buy stuff from early. I'm going to lock this one in too. We're going to pull this way up here actually. So now, even if the trades flip around, which they will not until it touches that blue line, we're up 90 pips, 100 pips on this trade. Look at it. There you go. Called it. There it is. 680, 650, 600, 575. Watch the beginning of when I first said this trade right here. I first came on live. I said, buy, stop, US30. I didn't give a care what it was. I was sound asleep, sound freaking asleep. And I said, nah, US30 hit it. I'm sorry, NAS hit it. SPX hit it. US30 is going up to this blue line, or at least going to get a lot closer. And you're looking at it. There you go. There's your money. You're welcome. Everybody out there has the system. You're welcome. Everybody out there that wants to say thank you, feel free. Attitude of gratitude is where it's at. You get to help lots of people. All right. Yep, there's your money. So take it, run, whatever you want to do. I locked in a few. I'm good. Matter of fact, let me lock in another one right here. Yay, what fun. Okay. NAS has gone up also. US30 has gone up also. Those were also the same trades when I told you about them. They were buy stops, all of these, and they still are. So we'll hang out here and we'll wait. You can buy some Nadex options in the money if you want. If you can get a nice expiry, I don't know. They might have one in a couple hours here for US30 or something. I would definitely take that. All right. So this is NAS gone up past this blue line, heading to its 15, which it just hit, heading to its 30. Let me see if it's getting to its hourly. Already passes hourly. Already to its nice. Holy shit. You go, Lil. This is a daily buy stop, by the way, just so we're all on the same page. We had a 1 minute buy stop, 15, 30 minute, 1 hour, and we have a daily buy stop on all of these indices. So NAS is in a buy. Your SPX is in a buy. I don't know why my buy and my SPX killed out though, and the US30. Now, what you also have is a 1 hour sell stop US30. You have a NAS. It's a 1 hour, 4 hour sell stop on NAS. I don't know how to explain that one. I don't want to get too much detail with that. And you also have a sell stop, 1 hour sell stop SPX. But currently, we're riding up on these trades right here. Damn, we're down to one. Shit. The buy on NAS and US30 from earlier is doing great. Let me go back to, hold on, 5 minute right here. Fuck. Let's get another in. Yep, another buy. I'm going to do another buy right here. Trading buy stuff. You guys, I can't call this one like I did the last one for you, but you guys watch yourselves on this. I'm going to do another buy on US30 right above where it's at. I can't tell you the number I did on the earlier ones for you. These are the calls from last night, the last yesterday afternoon, I guess. Last time I was on, it was a 1 minute buy stop. Obviously, that worked out to the blue line, and then the sell stop 1 hour still coming up. So that's all we're waiting on. So it was a 1 minute sell, 1 minute buy for these. Let me shove these over here. I always have too much shit open on my screen. All right. Oh man, am I tired? All right, I haven't even sent out the alerts yet. No posting in the Discord. iScanner's working for mine has been dead silent this morning since Frothy see we're. So I'm gonna tell everybody we're live. A little late. Tell everyone we're live on our live. That's what I'm telling you. You should always sign up for the YouTube channel, get my alerts. It'd be way better for you all if you did that. I'm telling you, it's just better. Oh boy, am I just sometimes I'm a little late. All right. I'm in one cell, have been for a week. That's the US30 cell. I'm in 2 or 3 lives right now. Ups, oh my God. I'm in 2 or 3 buys right now, but that is US30 NAS. I'm not in an SPX buy right now. Oh man. Wow, am I tired? My storm. Let's go over to edit. Oh, nope. Hold on. Give me a second. I got to send out these alerts. I'll check gold. I'll check everything in just a minute. Hold on a second. I'm a little late saying I'm live, but I'm telling you, that's why this happens. I'm never, fuck. Stand. Go that guy that has 500 in his name. Done. Okay, back to us. Trading futures. You can use it to trade futures. Morning, Precious. I just woke up literally like 10 minutes ago, well, after falling back to sleep again. And then went back to sleep. I woke up just a minute ago. There's the blanket and stuff. You took the heat on? No. Okay, let me get the heat. All right, Bree's with us. Well, Precious is with us. Precious Pips is with. Oh, you're in the money. You're in the money. You're in the money on those trades I left you with on the US30 buy stop. I told you 1 minute US30 buy stop. You're in the money. $540. You're in the money. $251. I thought I opened up 2 more of those. Son of a bitch. I only did 1. You're in the money. $224 on that US30 trade. It's going to go up and touch its 5-minute line right here on the blue line. Probably on this candle, actually. It's probably the one you're going to see go up. You're up $260. If you opened up 2 of them, unlike I didn't, close one down. Otherwise, if you're up, I'm going to lock this one in actually right here. You're up 450 for one about 10 minutes ago. You're up 120, 150, 149, 161. Again, if I'm taking trades, I take the trades. You see the results, 239, 225, $500. Boom, those are those. Oh, I keep forgetting about that bottom one that in there. Still in a sell on US30 until that hits my take profit. I'm in this sell. I'm in 3 US30 buys and 1 NAS buy right now. It's going up to touch its blue line again, just so we're all clear. 290, 260, throughout 500. This 599 one literally was done right before open. Well, right after open, I think technically. Watch it go up. There's 300. There it goes up towards this blue line. I just sent out the alert server. I may just sent out the alert server right when you woke up, right when you walked through that door. That's funny. Any rate, I hope you all making some money this morning. Wow. Whew. Brain's a little foggy, so I hope you guys hang in there with your money and get that money while you can. I use several brokers for trading. I use Eagle FX, Hugo's Way, Forex.com, Tradeovite, Nadex, Thinkorswim, Pepperstone. I think those are the only brokers I have that I use for real trading. Can we get another buy-in on US30? Let's take a look. Yeah, why not? Another buy-in. You're gonna be aggressive or non-aggressive? Buy stop. I'm gonna be non-aggressive this time. I'm putting it above that little movement right there. Buy stop, US30 again. Wow, they're just giving us money this morning. I'm gonna do a couple of those. Buy stop again. Buy stop, US30 again. I'm not telling you the number because it's not a legit one, but it's close enough for me. I'm taking it. Can't call it, fill in the gap. Buy stop, NAS 1 minute, and SPX. Now, do not forget for 1 second that there is a 1-hour sell stop SPX. There is a there is a 1-hour sell stop NAS, but I don't like that. I'd play that off the 4-hour line actually. And there is a 1-hour sell stop US30, which by the way, I'm still in. So don't forget the longer term trades. Yes, we're making lots of money on the way up. Good. Have fun doing it. I still want to see this go up. It may go up and touch that blue. Oh, beautiful. It's coming back down even more. We're going to take in some more money here. Hold on. Gonna some more. Gonna some more. Buy stop US30. Buy stop US30 1 minute. Buy stop US30 1 minute. Okay. Here it comes back up again. Let's see if we can get some good money for you guys one more time. This is nice. I love when they give us $2, $3, $4, $500 at a time. Has to come up a little bit more for it to engage this one right here. Oh, and I found an HD setting through Restream. So I think our video should look better on YouTube. If you can let me know, Precious. No rush on that. And I think we had a couple orders this morning. All right, we're waiting to see if US30 will rise up now or continue to drop a little bit further. We might have another look. Look. We might have another NAS right here. No, is it NAS? Which one's falling over there? Yeah, SPX and NAS. If it comes down a little bit, it's too far away from the 5-minute line. Fuck. Damn, I wish I would have been up earlier for you guys to make that money with you. Oh, well. Oh, you're in the money. $158. Sell one. Again, they gave us 300. They gave us 500. They gave us 150. I don't know how much you guys need, but take the money and keep taking their money left and right. It goes up, take the money. Get the hell out. If you open up 2, break even on the other one. $160, $170. Yeah, there's your money. Take it. Take it and run. They're giving it to you free this morning. It's like an ATM bank. There you go. Good morning, Bree, says Annie. People don't sleep on this. You're just leaving easy money on the table. I know, Patrick. It's crazy. Again, US30. Morning, Bree, says Tanny.
Good morning.
And Annie said, good morning. Great maneuvering, Kev. Thank you, Brave Trout. You're welcome. Well, doubled Wednesday's paycheck, says Patrick. Good job, Patrick. Great job, says Patrick. Nice dump on gold. Sorry. Thank you, God, Kevin, once again, says Brian. Thank you for saying thank you. You're in the money on both. I have 2 open on US30, 150 and 248. I'm going to close down one, pop, take my 150. I'm going to leave the other one open to break even. Let me go ahead and do that right now. Risk-free trade again. We currently have 2 US30s open and 1 NAS buy. All 3 open, and I still have 1 sell that's open on US30. Yes, I'm playing all these buy ups on US30. Why the hell not? You're about to see a fill in the gap on NAS. We're up another buy. They're going to give us another buy opportunity trading. Buy stop. Are you kidding me? They keep printing money here. I'm going to keep taking it. All right. Now, we're about to get a buy opportunity on another one, so I'm going to keep these right here, and I'm going to stop. Buy stop official. What makes it official is when we see red on that little indicator. So I'm gonna put it in here again. Now you can look over here. So there's buy stops. So you can be aggressive or not on US30. Right here is NAS. This is NAS 1 minute, and NAS has already hit its 5 minute line. And I don't like NAS. It's too far away from its red line right there. Is it a fill in the gap 1 minute? It is. I'm not going to call this. Do I think it's going to go up? Yes. Is there anything I can do about it? No. There's nothing I can do. It's too far away. SPX. Now, when these pull back further down, if these pull back down to here, when they do pull back down to here, we'll make, oh, look at this beautiful trade right here to the blue line. I hope you guys took that. Oh, I should have never fell back asleep. We could have been in so much fucking money. What a beautiful morning. They are printing us money. Here we go. Nice. Nice. Here we go. They're about to go down. Now watch this. We're going to take these down here. You can get real aggressive if you want. This is a 5 minute. See, this is coming down. It's not low enough yet. I prefer this to come down and touch like it did back here. But if it keeps going down, I'm going to keep moving my buy stops lower and lower. I love it. Love this. Oh, it's officially. Oh, that's US30 again. Damn it. I don't know if NAS and US30 or NAS and SPX are going to be able to get down that far. All right. We're waiting for this engagement right now. 1 minute buy stop, US30s. Hasn't hit anything yet. Wish I'd have got in a little bit lower on that, but whatever. Nothing engaged yet for me. Let me see, Precious. That looks demo. That doesn't look right either. You're right. That looks like an online, but if he's that sure, you get one account number, bro. If he's that sure, take it. He did not send one with another indicator on there. Don't, this system is standalone. Don't you dare use another indicator on there. What's Joker saying? Sorry, I was not looking at anything. Well, I'm gonna rock with it. Yeah, just do it. Hey, Joker, in the trade? Are you in the trade? Says Billy Cole. Who are you asking? Me? No, I'm going to let this come down further until it comes down, and then I'm going to get in the trade to answer your question. If you're asking me, I'm in two buys. I'm in a NAS and a US30 buy from a while ago. So yes, I'm in those trades. I'm in a sell for US30. Yes, I'm in that trade. If that's what you're asking me. The current trade, that would be a big negativity right now at this point. Big negativity. Yep, we're going to come right here. Trading buy, stop again. I just keep pulling them up, moving them down as it comes down. I want it to come down a little further. If it would be so nice as to do that. Trading. If it will, awesome. If it won't, I'm not going to touch these trades. Buy stop. When the pattern forms, green, 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 red, green, green, buy stop it is. Unfortunately, I still want it a little bit further down right here, closer to this red line, but I don't think we're going to get it. I think this shit's going to come up before I can get in what I want. And where is it going to? It should be going up to, although it's close enough, quite frankly, to the blue line. It's going to be going up to this blue line, or I think one more good little push up towards this way, if not more. By the way, on your NAS, I stopped 1 minute on NAS. You can see it bounced off. It came up. You're in the money on that one. It's going to close the gap. The gap is this right here. Green, green, green. This green line will come up and touch this yellow thing by price action going up. So the gap is this black space in between the yellow line and the green line. This will close up when this goes up, just so you're clear. All right. So you just wait for that one. It'll finish up soon. Let me see SPX for you. SPX is SPY. Close the gap. So this is also a buy stop. Close the gap also. But these are 1 minute, kind of far away from their 5 minute lines. I wouldn't trade those. Oh, you're in the money. You're in the money. You're up 100. I didn't notice. I'm up $152 on, I'm going to close one down. Might keep that open though. I'm going to keep this open for a second and see. So anyway, I'm up 150, 117, and 112 on my US30 trades. Yep. I'm going to keep that for a second. We're going to make even more. So it printed like 240, 500, 280. Now we're up 200 again. Keep taking US30's money. Keep taking their money. Keep taking Vanguard and all those guys, Aladdin and Adam, their AIs, keep taking their money. $300 on the one. $300 on this one now. This is the literally the 3rd or 4th time we've just made money off of them. I'm gonna close one down. I'm gonna take 220 out of the one. I'm taking 220 out of the one, leaving the other one open. They just keep giving us free money. They keep giving us free money over and over and over again. Look at this shit. Here it is again. Take that money. $350, $400, $400 on this trade. Idiots. Look at them. There's 283, 287. Take the money. 304. This trade was just placed seconds ago. Screw them. $300. Take the money for the 5th time, 4th. I have no idea. Can we pay for your system by crypto? Yes, you can pay for the system by uh, Bitcoin. Just email us. Yes, OIC. Do you do Zoom? We train on Zoom. Yes, we train on Zoom. CBP on Nasdaq free. We don't promote anything else here. Don't do that, or I'll block you in 2 seconds. And then about 10 more between 5 and 10. Clear calls. I'm finally making sense of this. Lock and load says Metal Mine. Exact 12 to be exact. I opened a demo account to practice some trades and had several 10,000 plus traces. Thomas, nice, Thomas. 1K this morning, sir. Thank you again in God. You're welcome, MetaMind. Thank you very much for being here and doing it. Now look, see it pop back down on you again. Look at this shit. Oh my God, they won't stop. Let me go over here to NAS and see what they did on NAS real quick. Okay, ho, 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 ho. They're not getting away with this shit. Hold on. We're doing another one. Another buy stop. These morons are giving us free money. I'm taking it. Taking again, $70, $100 up already again on that trade. I'm taking it again. There's another free 100 they just gave us. 136, 150, 163. They don't stop. They're giving away free money. Free money giveaway. US30 this morning. Free money giveaway. These guys are morons in the news. Holy shit. We keep making money left and right. They don't stop. What is wrong with them? We keep horse shitting around, pulling it down, going back up, pulling it down, going back up, pulling it down. They think they're taking our money. The whole time we're making hundreds and hundreds. At this point, it's got to be thousands of dollars. I have no idea. This is the US30 ATM. They have a US30 ATM. They're giving us money. Wow. Not the smartest. Look at it go up. $200 again. I might close down this trade again. Look at this shit. They're out of their minds. This is like literally it's gotta be the 4th time. I think we're at the 5th time now of taking 2, 3, $400 from them. This is a US30 ATM. They opened it up. Their Aladdin and Adam have lost their collective AI minds. They just keep giving us money. $222. Wow. I hope you guys some of you are catching these trades. Wow. They don't often do this. They aren't really usually bright, but they're not usually this smart either. I mean, this dumb either. There's your money. I closed down yet another one, and then oh my god, these guys are funny this morning. I'm gonna do it again. Wow, that's funny. Give me that money, US30 says 10 straight trade straight. Let's get some more likes for Kevin. Yeah, okay, we're good. I like that 51 out of 70. That's cool. Thank you very much, Mark, for bringing that up. Wow. These guys are funny. Oh, we're gonna take their money this morning. We're gonna take their money. We're gonna take first of all, if I'd have been awake, we all could have made money on this buy stop right here. That was my being asleep. This is a buy stop to the blue line 5 minute. Nas did the same thing, fill in the gap, buy stop 5 minute to the blue line. And if nothing else, Nas hit first, SPX hit second. Now we're on US30, fill in the gap right now to its blue line, green, 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 red. And do not forget for 1 second that we have sell stops in place on the 1 hour, basically on all 3 indices. So don't forget that, okay? Where is my sell stops at? Oh, there they are. So this is the calls that were made yesterday. 1 minute buy stops obviously paid off and still are paying off right now. The sell stops we're waiting for on the 1 hour level. And then that's it. That's on our indices that we have. Wow, that's fun. They're going to do that shit again. Okay, let's do it again. You're going to give us money? We will take money. You're going to give us money? We're going to take money. You're going to give us money? We're gonna take your money. You're gonna give us money? These guys, their AI has got a broken hitch right here. I don't know what happened to them. Their AI decided they're gonna be into a, oopsie, don't wanna sell that one. Damn, hold on, let me take off that sell stop. Fuck. We're up $90 again, and I don't want this to touch. Cheating ass bastard. There you go. Up $133. I'm gonna take another $120 off the table on the one trade. Oh, should I leave that open? It's gotta push now. 138, 130, 174. Okay, now I'm gonna take the 174 again off the table, leave me the 195. So there's another trade I just took. They literally have done this for 6 trades. I'm gonna go with 6, the number 6. They are not stopping. It's $223 again. It's $240 again. The 47 of you on TikTok, are you not doing these trades? It's fucking free market Fridays. What's today? It's not Friday, it's Tuesday. All right, fine. We're up $240 again for the 6th time minimum. That is funny. Holy crap. They just keep giving us money. I'm gonna keep taking it. I'm not stopping it. They're not stopping. I'm not stopping. I'm gonna lock this in now. Wow. Do it again. Come down again and see what happens to you. I'll take some more money from you. They are just handing it out like candy. What do they want us to become addicted to making money? Look at the $213 again. No, not yet. Just found this page last week. Just trying to get set up today. Okay, two key comp. 285. These people are nuts, man. Their AIs are something wrong with them. What do you think about CPI, Consumer Price Index? I think it's built into our system, a bunch of bullshit is what I think about it. New look at it go up, $447. What do I think about it? That I'm making all my money. Look at it. Look at it. Where did I say it was going to? $500 on that trade now. Okay, idiots. There you are. There's the trade just called. These are 2 trades from earlier this morning when I was sound asleep, woke up around it was like 4 o'clock in the morning. Any rate, look at that. You're up $400 on the trade I just called. You're up $400 on a trade I just called. I've been riding this trade 6 times in and out, 150, 250 each time. Now we're up 450, 400. It is a free money giveaway on US30. They are just to make us all rich this morning. They're giving us free money. We're gonna call this the ATM. I'll name today's trading day ATM day. Look at it. Holy fuck, they're nuts. Oh my god, this is so fun. Tons of people from Canada are in our system. What do I think about CPI? I think it's a scam to take people's money. Consumer price index means nothing. All the whole system's a scam. They do everything to try to take our money. I've equalized everything for all of you. I lost for 6 years. Screw them. I ain't losing no more. None of you are losing no more. See the fill in the gap I told you is gonna happen is completed. The green cut came up and touched the yellow line. Let's see about NAS. There's your NAS. Watch. This is your NAS fill in the gap. What did I tell you was gonna happen? The green was gonna come up, touch the yellow, and the green, the price itself was going up. That's exactly what it did. What about I surely couldn't have been right on SPX, but guess what? Thanks to God we were. Green came up and touched the yellow, price went up just like I told you it would. I don't like taking these trades. They're too far away from the 5 minutes, but facts are facts. That had to happen, and that's what happened. Now we're on US30. Let's have it do it again so we can make even more money. And why do I say that? Because we're very, 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 very close to blue line. Quite frankly, this could be it. It might not go up and touch it. It's close enough. But what the hell? If they're going to keep giving us free money, I'm going to keep taking it unless it doesn't tap me out. See this finish of this thing right here? It closed. Hasn't touched the blue line though. I mean, you can if you have more than 1 or 2, you can close one of those down if you want. Feel free. Again, not I am not a financial advisor. I cannot tell you to make real money. You can use demo money all day long. Feel free to do that and learn. My YouTube channel is this one right here. The Safety Trade. Love the YouTube channel. Literally, I didn't send out the alerts for about 10 or 15 minutes. On my regular alert system, but on the YouTube is fine. By the way, you see it work? Green, 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 red, green, green, buy stop above the line, and you're up 3, 4, $500 this morning. That right there, this is how it works. Green, 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 red, green, green, buy stop, green, 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 red, green, green, buy stop. You'd have made money. You'd have made money. You'd have made money over and over again. And we did. at least a half a dozen different trades in a matter of minutes. We were making hundreds and hundreds of dollars each time, every time. How big is the loss when you use this? That depends on how much you're trading. This is the best thing you can even ever buy yourself, $1,200 this morning. Patrick, congratulations, Patrick. Yes. How big? I mean, there's guys that trade huge, so it all depends on you. I don't understand what you're asking. If you want to know what you're like, for instance, how to set a stop loss, the stop loss would have been set when it came down here, came up here, when it crossed my line right here. You go ahead and grab this right here and you pull down, it turns red. This becomes your stop loss. So if you're trading SPX, that may be, let's take a look. If you're going to trade SPX, we'll move it up to here. Your stop loss on this last trade would have been about there. And it would have been here. It wouldn't even been 2 pips. It would have been like 3 pips. Stop loss, 3 points stop loss. Okay. On NAS, that same trade when it arched up, we'd have been in somewhere around here. That would have been about 20 pips stop loss. US30, we just tapped out break even. The US30 one would have been somewhere where we were, which was right here and down here. It would have been about a 50, 60 pip stop loss. They're doing it again, by the way. Do not forget for 1 second, we still have 1 hour sell stops in place. Again, you guys have to start learning that there's also what's happening currently is forming those for you. It is no longer a 15-minute 30. It's a 1 hour sell stop, by the way. And by the way, I'm going to go back in again on this trading buy stop. I'm going to do it one more time. They just won't quit giving us money. So I'm going to put it right here, move it down as it goes down. Yep, we want this right here to come back down. We want the 5-minute candle to come back down towards this red line on all 3 indices. We wanted to do it on US30. We want to do it. Oh, shit, we're too far away on NAS. I hope it does come down. We want to do it again on SPX to come back down. So we're going to wait. As this comes down, we're going to ride this down. And then I'm going to open up some more too. So when this comes back up again, we're going to make even more money. So I'm going to open up another buy stop right down here, and we're going to wait. We don't want to get caught in it, but you want to run it super close. So when this thing flips around and comes back up, you're about to make some more money. We have 3 minutes left on this candle. So this is a new 5-minute candle. I didn't see that. That's cool. We're about to make some more money. They're giving us free money again on US30. Yet again, they're giving us free money. I wish this was Friday. We can call it free money Fridays. We can call it Taco Tuesdays. We can call it buy stop. There we go. See it coming down further? Watch. We're going to open up trading. Buy stop. Drop it down again. Let it come back up to us. Let it come back up to us. Keep letting it come back up to us. I like taking the trades away. This is beautiful right here. This is a thing of beauty right here. You want this to come down just a little bit further. I want to know when this trades. So we got 2 minutes and 40 seconds. And then, yeah, let this come down just a little bit further if it will. And we're about to make even shit tons more money. I'm trading off the 5-minute using the 1 minute as my buy stop in case you guys don't know what's happening. I can go back over there. Buy stop, 1 minute. Green, 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 red, green, green. Buy stop above the green line for all you guys who are trading according to the system rules. Just wait. This is a 1 minute buy stop. Probably have 2 more minutes before you're going to see the push back up again. And then you'll see this push back up again in about 2 minutes. No contracts any minute. Yes, you can use this. Yeah, we have setups. We have videos the whole time. I'll show you in a minute what we do. 1 contract on a mini. Yes, you can use this on minis by all means. Oh, you're in the money, $288. Sell, sell, sell. If you open up 2 of these, you can sell 1. I'm up $190. I'm up $230 on the 1 right here. These are the trades I just jumped into, so I'm going to close down that 1 at 176. Boop. Leave the 200 one open. So now we're up. Let me see something right here. We're up 180. I didn't even see it retraced already. Wow, that was cool. You're up 180. You can just take that money out. You don't have to stay in the trade at all. This is the trade I did from earlier. If it comes down to here, I'll take that profit on that one. It's huge profit on that one. That's $1,600 on this trade right here. That one. Look at this. We're up 300. Told you. Told you. Told you. For the 7th time, I told you. Told you. Told you. 7th time you're in the money. $300. $400. Told you, told you, told you, told you, told you, told you so. It's it's not me, it's the system that I created. The system, the safety trade system told you so. Look at it. $330. Who made money out there? Two things that never fail me, my Saint Bernard and my box. And the box is Jason. That's funny. Kevin, how do we get the time on your candles? It's actually, did I ever post that in the Discord? It'll be in the Discord soon. Good morning, Kevin and Bree. I'm still out. I can't wait to trade with y'all again. Morning, LT. I'm so sorry. No fear of missing out. This shit repeats itself 24 up $400. Up $400. Up $430. On the trade I just called for you, I'm locking this one in too. We're going to go ahead and take profit here in just a second. On this trade I just called for, you're up $444. You're welcome, TikTok. You're welcome, YouTube, all morning long. ATM US30. We're going to rename US30 to ATM30. That is the new name for US30. ATM30. Um, Kevin, how do you get time, guys? Waiting on getting a system, just keeping an eye on the eyes now. There is no denying this stuff, and it's all live and posted and everything. Yeah, you think fish on TV? I like your name. I love the fish. Don't do it often, but I love it. Candle Envy. I'm Kim the Candle Lady. Oh, what's up, Kim the Candle Lady? That's your Kim Harrington. Techman, get the system, folks. It's easy money. LeBro says, "Hey Kev, I'm mostly going to be purchasing a system tomorrow. Just getting some money." Awesome, LeBro. Welcome aboard, my friend. I look forward to training with you. 2,000 multiple re-entries from that US30 bound. Thanks again, Kev. I'll post a snip on the Discord later. Thank you, Techman. And if you would, Tech, go over to the TikTok, please. 2,000 on multiple re-entries in US30. Thanks, Kev. I feel the pain of loss. You changed my life, Kev, and my mental damage is slowly. Awesome, Metal Mine. Best choice ever, Candle. I can't wait to get started. I can't wait to help train you. Look at it go up before your very eyes. We're up $522 now, by the way. 486. Look at it. There you go. There's your money. There it is. Take it out if you want. Keep it in. I opened up two every time. Every time I'm making money again, and then they'll either break even me or I just go back in again. Also, the boss lady and boss lady. You guys are the best, and system is the best. Thank you, Thomas. Candle, hey Kevin, I'm going to buy the program tomorrow morning. I'm so excited. Welcome aboard, Candle Envy. Cute name. Candle Envy. What's up, Moto? Just passed my $200,000 challenge in 2 days just now. I'm closing my laptop and waiting for my live account now. Thank you so much, Kevin, for the system. God bless. Thank you, Mark Hawkins. But Mark, if you can go over to TikTok and share your story there, I would appreciate it, my brother. The TikTok is the real safety trade. My name, Kevin Grego. Awesome, Mark. Congratulations, Mark Hawkins, on passing his $200,000 challenge. Thanks, Candle. You are next. Wow, that's amazing. Awesome, Mark. Oh, that's you, Precious. All right. $600 up on this trade. 500. You just made six. So I took out one was 230 7 times. And now here's $600 made live for you guys yet again. 630. Where's it going to? Gee, Kev, I don't know. You've been telling us all morning. I literally just woke up. 72 of you on TikTok. Listen to what's happening on another amazing morning. My attitude is gratitude. Thank you, Peter P. And thank you for, oh, your testimonial. Whoa, whoa, whoa. We have another testimonial from someone that was yesterday. Where did Peter P write his at? Did I not keep it? Damn. Oh, okay. Thank you, Precious. She's so on top of everything. I swear to goodness. Am I in the wrong account? What am I in over here? Oh, this is Forex Safe Trade. I don't know what I'm doing. Yeah, no, but I see all these other ones. I don't see it. Oh, that one. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. She's right. Oh, here we go. Here we go. This is what you guys can see. Peter sent in this nice testimonial, said I was allowed to share it. Let me get this out of the way for you guys right here. What can you see? I don't know if you can see this or not on TikTok. I'm going to try to show you. This came to me yesterday from one of our nice new members. Super good guy. I wanted to say a huge thank you for the training last week. I also spent the weekend rewatching the video about 15 times. That is to be congratulated. You're doing it supposed to be 50 times a week. I appreciate you doing that. That's fantastic. So my first day of trading was today, which was yesterday. Gave me 43%. Can you see all this shit? I don't think you can see this stuff, guys. I don't know how to make it so you can see it. There we go. Gave you 43% increase on my account. Yes, almost doubled it. That's matched my buy week. It's better. That matched my biweekly paycheck. Just wow, amazing, incredible system. So thankful. God helped me across paths with you. Regards, Peter P. And I thanked him for sending that in. That was freaking awesome. Did you guys see that testimonial? They come in a lot. I don't usually post them. I usually cut it or ask them if they could do it. Look at it go up, by the way. Before your very eyes, it's still going, just so we're clear. Look at it. Look at it. How much does it cost? Oh, 575. Correct. Thank you for speaking up and handling that. Oh, Thomas, thank you for handling that. Um, and Precious is doing her thing. She's handling more things than God right now. 97 people, 98 people on TikTok. Gee, I wonder if it's because US30 is printing money this morning and people are making thousands of dollars off the calls I make all morning long for the last whatever it's been. Not long, actually. It's only been about a half an hour. Yeah, well, about an hour. Started about an hour ago. And there you go. Look at it. Go ahead, baby.
If you are on the OG system and your license expired, we make and send you another set of OG indicators. We tell you to ignore the Bach and color change directions because you don't get those with the OG system. Please do not email us asking why you do not have the
Don't
Bach.
respond to them. Don't respond to them.
You did not pay for the Bach.
If you want the new system, you pay for the new system. Listen to what Bree's telling you. And I'm telling you, I'm giving her direct orders. If one of you guys gets the renewals and you ask that again, we're ignoring you completely. You need to take responsibility for your own trading. Oh, by the way, speaking of taking responsibility for your own trading, thank you for saying that, Precious Star. They do that to you. It's ridiculous. Let me handle those people and I'll handle them real quick. $600. You were just up $648 on the trade I just called. Back up $600 again. Back up. Gee, I wonder where it's going to, guys. I wonder who called this trade. Right when I was sound freaking asleep at 9:20 in the morning because I had gotten up at like 3:50 or whatever it was, and I went back to sleep. Look at it, up $700. Are you guys watching? Are your $80 on TikTok? When we print money 7 different times this morning, we made $200, $150, $200. We're up $700 on this one trade that was called 5 minutes ago. Look at it go up, $800 live. Where's it going to? The blue line, guys? Who's called the blue line? Oh, number 3 came in. Why do you get so excited? Why are you so passionate? Why do you talk like this? Why do you make fun of old trading ways? Because they're ancient and they're silly. I'm keeping it as clean as I can. $800 on this trade. Called out where it was going to. Made money 7 different times on this one trade because their AI had a glitch and thought they were going to take all our money. We took all their money. We were right 7 times on a US30 trade. The US30 is now called ATM. It's an ATM. It doesn't even have it has a 45-cent fee. It doesn't have a $9 withdrawal fee like they do in Vegas. Look at it go up. $1,000, $999. Come on, you can't give me 1,000, really? You can't give it 1,000. Come on. There it is. There she blew $1,000 trade called 5 minutes ago. Are you kidding me? $1,000 trade live called. Look at this. There it is. Oop, there it is. $1,100. Yeah, 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 yeah. Go ahead and tell 73 of your friends on TikTok and 80 of your friends on YouTube. Go ahead. Do it. Look at it go up. Look at it reach up and touch that blue line. How did I know? Well, A, the system tells me so. We have a scanner that tells me so. We have a NAS 100 already hit its blue line. SPX was the second one to hit the blue line, and now US30 is the third to hit its blue line. What's the blue line? It's a magical magnet, is what it is, and it draws the price to it. No, it's something I invented over the last 9 years of trading. I came across and invented this thing. And that's what it is. And there's your money. There's $1,000. You're welcome, everyone out there. Who's going to be thankful? Huh? Huh? Who's going to thank God? Who's going to be thanking God? I'm locking in this profit. I locked in the previous one. Are you kidding me? I have a trade from early this morning when I woke up about 3, whatever time it was. I have a trade that's up 149. So I have a trade, this trade right here is locked in profit. Look at this. This is 2,000 from early this morning. This is 1,500 from early this morning. This is $1,000 trade right now before your very eyes. This is $1,100 trade right before your very eyes. Why does he talk so passionately? Because I love helping you guys, and I love when we make money, and I love when we stick it to the AIs of Aladdin, Adam of Vanguard and BlackRock. I love it when we take money from them and they don't get our money. I lost for 6 years. We ain't losing no more, baby. That's 7 wins in a row. The current one we're in is $1,000. Each other one was about 150 to 250 7 times. You want to win like that over and over again, live every time? Go to my YouTube channel. I have a YouTube channel with every trade I've ever made has been recorded live for the last 6 months on YouTube. It's roughly speaking 400 videos. 400 live videos. This is now 2 risk-free trades on US30. This is not I am not a financial advisor, never want to be, nor am I. I'm telling you, you guys need to only trade demo. This happens to be one of my 7 live Eagle FX accounts, and I have 2 Hugo ways. Look at it go up. Look at it go up before your very eyes. Oh, he doesn't know what he's doing. This isn't true. Get out of here. Indicators lag. Our indicators tell the future. Our indicators are as easy as this. I told you what it did. This is triple bottom, by the way, scam artist. Green, 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 red went up. Green, 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 red went up. Green, 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 red went up all the way up. You see it? You see the colors? If you can see the colors, you can trade. No longer do you need to rely on ancient artifacts known as support and resistance, trend lines, Fibonacci retracements. No longer do you have to rely on that BS ever again. All that stuff are lies. All that stuff never makes you money. How do I know it's not me telling you this? Everyone's gonna get upset with me. Oh, you're telling me that trend lines don't work? Trend lines work. Okay, well, I'm gonna tell you what happens with trend lines. Trend lines fail you 97% of the time. Fail you 97% of the time. Listen to what I'm saying. They fail you not, and it's not me telling you that. Google it. Google it. How can you Google that? Well, let's take a look. Here it is. How many? Here you go. This is Google telling you that Fibonacci retracements, trend lines, look to the left, ascending, descends, and wedges. On any given day, do 97% of day traders lose money? On any given day, 97% of day traders lose money. This is Google. Google it. So why are you out there, you 97 people here and 87 people there? Why are you using something that was taught to you that causes you to lose money? Let me put it in another perspective. Would you pay a college professor for a course with a 97% fail rate? No, of course you would not pay him to teach you anything. But yet you've used the same trading gurus, the same books that name candles for decades that has a 97% fail rate. Why would you keep using these same old silly techniques? Why would you use something that causes you lose 97% of the time? I was one of them. I lost probably 99% of my trades when I figured out my system. Why would you use this? So what does your bot use? It uses my training system. It uses my knowledge, and it's not a bot. I'm teaching you how to trade. You can start with a smaller account, Botinator. All you need to start with is $200 in your account, and even that, you should only start with 0 in your account, quite frankly. And there it is. There, I consider this a touch. I will close out one more of my US30s. I know it hasn't you can zoom in, you can see it hasn't technically touched, but that's damn close enough for me. I'm very happy with that return. I mean, that's beautiful. I've been calling for this for the last hour to go up to its blue line. It finally did. I mean, just picture perfect. Picture perfect. I'm gonna leave one open. I'm actually leaving 2 of these open. If it comes down and taps me out here, great. If it comes down and taps this one out, awesome. I'm only gonna make a few $1,000s on each trade. What a shame. You couldn't have made all of it. You could have made, well, it could keep going up too, and I can make more. That's what I always do, let these things run. Don't close down a winning trade unless it hits your absolute take profit that you want. And I don't mean by take profit up high. I mean take profit above your entry, over your break even. That's what I mean by take profit. Watch, I don't think it's done going up. I'm gonna keep that one open. I would start it with 0 in your account, Bowdinator. You're supposed to trade SPX 500 for a month with a demo trade, paper trade. Can I use your system and deduct $200 from profit? Can I use your system and deduct $200 from profit? I don't know what you're talking about, second in. What does he mean? Can I use your system to deduct $200 from profit? I don't know what you're talking about, bro. How much is the system? It's $575 a year at this time. By the way, it keeps going up, to be clear to you guys. Anytime, Kev. Thank you, Thomas. Appreciate that. kamikaze, the roses and such. I love the weights. We lift weights all the time. Precious pushes me to go in the gym now. Good. I don't know what that means. Good shit. Oh, I like this guy said Egg Marley. Oh, good. I like you too, brother. How much is that software? It's $575. Thank you for answering that, Thomas. It's not a bot. You actually learn how to trade for once in your life is what it is. Let's keep this rolling. Can I use this? I don't know what that is. This is MetaTrader 4 it is. His profit. What are you talking about? What the fuck? His profit. Oh, okay, good. Cool. I'm joining as soon as I get the other oh, sure, keep stealing my signals till you get it. There you go. Alright. Now, this is I'm gonna pull this up so everyone's clear. Not a financial advisor, just for fun laugh. You can only trading demo only with me. Do not follow me with live. However, I can trade in one of my 7 live accounts I have in Eagle FX. And I also have a couple of accounts in Hugo's Way that are live and a whole bunch of other ways. I would go over to my YouTube channel because literally I forgot to send out my signals that I was going live. I had my alerts I was going live till about an hour later. So if you go over to YouTube, it alerts you immediately. By the way, it's going back up right now. It's going to keep going up till it touches that damn blue line. At any rate, you can learn and buy the software the system right here, safetytrade.com, all one word. Beware of this dude right here. He is let me get that out of here. We will never, ever, ever contact you first. So always remember that we never reach out to you. This scammer right here, this dude right here, let me move this out of the way right there. This dude was copying us, trying to copy me and do what we're doing. Don't fall for him. Never, never deal with someone from we will never contact you first. Just remember that. We're too busy. If you guys want interest in this, you contact us and we'll get back to you. So that's what that is. MetaTrader 4 is the broker. If you're unfamiliar with what MetaTrader 4 is, MetaTrader 4 is it's 85% of all broker houses uses it. It has the most EAs or robots made for it out of any other system. MetaTrader 4 platform has more EAs made for it, which is artificial intelligence or robots. And it has more indicators made for it than any other period. There's nothing else that has that many. And I'm trading on Eagle FX 0.09 account. That's all that is. All right. And again, YouTube channel here. Oop. Not a financial advisor there. We'll put that right there. All right. Now, it's not done going up. Where are we at with our prices? Oh, yeah, look at that. Still 1,100. Beautiful. I did close that smaller one down, left this one open, and we're just sitting here. So there you go. I'm going to keep that open. Make sure to cut some money off that even further. Never close a winning trade. You want to close if you open up two, close one down and keep the other one running. It makes no sense to me what people do. What they do is they move their stop losses and hope that it changes and keep moving, keep moving, keep moving, and they lose their asses. Keep your stop loss in place. When you do a trade like this, it's simple. All the stop loss is this. I'm going to use this as an example right here. It comes down, comes up. When it crosses whatever your buy line is right here, you grab that line. That line turns red, and that is now your stop loss. You place it below here. If the trade goes south on you for any reason, if it turns the other direction, goes like this, that stop loss will stop you from losing everything, the catastrophic losses. Okay? That's all. So that's how I look at it. And I'm not closing down this one trade we're currently in because I want it to go up further, which it will, which it just has. We're up almost to 1,200 again. And this trade down here, I'm never letting go of. Now, I do have a sell stop in place already. That's one of the sells in place on US30. And we have many sell stops in place. Throwing this out to you guys right here because we're calling for a 1 hour sell stop across the board on all three indices. That'll happen eventually. But again, right now we are just taking advantage of the dumbness of their AIs. They're just silly. Do I need 20,000 a day to trade in here? Absolutely not. We're not dealing. You can trade in forex.com and they got the stupid day trading rules where they try to keep you down to limit you to 5 or 6 trades a day. We're in Hugo's Way or Eagle FX. You can also use Eagle FX demo. Then you can trade Thinkorswim, Tradeovite, Nadex, love Nadex, any of those things. Favorite unregulated broker is Eagle FX. I like Hugo's Way too. I never had a problem getting money out of either of them, by the way. What do you mean by sell stops in 1 hour? If you don't know what a sell stop is, look, look, look. There's the blue line touch. There's the blue line touch. Boom, baby. Still holding on to those trades. $1,200. Boom. Did it touch? Did it touch? Did it touch? Did it touch? Oh, I don't know. It's fucking close. Hold on. Let me see if I zoom in. Oh, oh, is that a kiss? Come on. That's not a kiss. I think there's still a space there, precious. Look at it. Oh, it's so close. Fine. Whatever. Ugh. I don't know. I've been calling that touch all morning, so I wanted to touch. All right, anywho, that's $1,200, $1,300. Oh, 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 I think it did touch that time. No? Fine. Whatever. $1,300 on that trade. $1,800 from a trade earlier, $2,600 from a trade this morning. All locked in profit, all risk free. I don't care if this shit dumps 300 pips the other direction on CPI news. I can give a fuck less. Let it drop down 500 pips. I'm already in a sell anyway. So here's a sell stop. Uh, as soon as that touches, I'm coming back to it. Sell stop. Go to the 1 hour. Let me see if there's a good 1 hour. Yeah, we'll use this one. Let me zoom in because you guys probably can't see that. Look, see how it's going up? Oh, we are definitely in the money on that thing. All right, you put a sell stop right here. You open it up. You right click. If you've never done a sell stop, right click below your thing. Go to trading. Do a sell stop. You see it? You do sell stop. Boop. Then you can move your little line around. We're going to put it right below this red line right here. And now, if and when, which it will, it's just a matter of time, this thing flips back around like this. Let me show you. It's going to come up like this, hook over, pivot, and come down like that. When it does that and it crosses us right here, we will be in the money on the way down. So it doesn't, it's called a pending order, and it doesn't open up the order until the price comes across it. In other words, if you're doing market orders now, you're like that. Oh, we're on it. Boom, victory is ours, saith the Lord. There you go. There it is. Boom, touched, 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 touched. I'm taking that one to the bank. There you go. There's your touch. Thank you. You're welcome, Kev. Yet again, I called this out an hour before it happened. Hundreds and thousands of pips made, 7 in a row, actually, on this current trade we're in. All live, all money in your guys' pay, in your piggy banks. No, whatever. All into your money, all into your account. Look at it. Look at that beautiful touch. Yep. Who was here when I called to the blue line touch? Who was here when I called to the blue line touch? Anyone here? No close, no cigar. We have there you go, Thomas. And you tell us around what price the sell stop begins. Yeah, I just showed you. I'm working on a design and I'll post in the Discord. What's that, Peter? I'm getting the Bach tattoo at this rate. You're gonna get the Bach tattoo. Jamie, one of our other guys, Jamie Araby, wasn't it Jamie Araby? But he was gonna get a Bach tattoo when it did this to the blue line going down one time, and it did it, and he never got the tattoo because we let him out of it. But damn, if you get the Bach tattoo, I'm gonna laugh. Oh my gosh. Dude, I'm gonna get the Bach tattoo. Oh, Precious, you're gonna kill me on this? Precious. What if I give him if he gets a tattoo on the Bach. All right, one Peter Poxon, if you get the tattoo, permanent tattoo of the Bach, and you get that put on you, now I'm not tempting anyone, but if you're gonna do it, oh, look at the money we're making. Holy shit, we're up 59. Peter, if you do that, oh, I'm getting it, he says. If you get that too, we're gonna give you 1 free year to the scanners. 1 free year to the scanners. We're up $1,400 on this trade called out earlier live just a little bit ago, a few minutes ago, like 15 minutes ago. $1,400 live. This is earlier. This was earlier. This is current right now. Right here, right now, today. And this is the 7th correct trade called out live on this video. They were, it still are. We're calling it US30 is renamed ATM30. They gave us 7 withdrawals, on average, at least $200 each. And we're up $1,500 and still going up before your very eyes. And there's 65 of you here on TikTok when there was 80 of you on TikTok. So we just made $3,000 live and we've lost 20 people. Good job. Good decision there to leave, guys. How about you tell your friends and you go to 6,000? If every trade I ever made on my YouTube channel for the last 6 months ever made documented. Here they are. Here's today's. You're seeing it live again. But sure, go away. Whatever. The brain cells. Let's see. Sweet, says Peter. That is gonna be legendary. We don't even have a fucking safety trade or anything on tattoo. Yeah, Average says she's not. Candle Envy, what all do I need when I sign up? We walk you through everything. You just sign up, pay, and then we send you out this I'll show you what you do. Peter gonna get tattoo every year, scanner free for life. Is there more programs I should buy at the same time? No, Candle Envy, don't buy anything. Good morning, Kimberly. I think we have another Kim this morning. Is that what I was told? Someone else was Kim. How funny is that? Uh, what time do you start trading? It varies. Yesterday morning, I was up at like 4:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. This morning, I didn't get up until 9:20 Eastern Standard Time officially. I was in the trades earlier, but I didn't go on live. I was too tired. But I would go over to my YouTube channel right here where you see it, right there. I'd go over to this and I would sign up right over there. I'd become a sub and sign up for my alerts because literally I forgot to post my alerts. I didn't post my alerts on our alert channel on there until after. All right, now here, this is what it looks like. After you sign up, you go over to the safetytrade.com, you sign up. You get this type form where you can't go forward. It says, "Hi, welcome to our blah blah blah." Then it walks through the next step with all video, so you can't mess this up. And by the way, if you can't follow simple instructions, do not buy the system. Please don't buy the system. Okay? Most of all of our new clients can and do follow simple instructions. I didn't spell instructions right. But there is always that let me move this out of the way. 1 or 2 out of 10 that cannot follow simple instructions, and then you have to type that in. Type yes if you answered for the NDA, you get a non-disclosure agreement. This is all worded out for you, one after the other, right here. Type yes if you understand that you may join the Discord after talking to me. Type yes if you know future training. You're gonna get a small group training when you buy with me live, and then you're gonna get at least once a week. When I get back home to Georgia, it'll probably be twice a week, but at least once a week, continuing ed. You'll get training live with me, small group, at least once a week. As far as I'm alive or you're alive, who's ever alive, that's what you get. Your own personal scanner room you have to pay for, but it's amazing. I'll go over the scanner later. Then there's another type form page. Get one set of custom indicators. You better read this shit because you only get one set of custom indicators. Period. Don't ask. Please pause and wait for that. And then warning, do not contact us one time regarding the installation of the indicators. We give you a video of how to install. We warn you not to contact us because there's a video telling you how to install. Don't waste our time. Don't waste your time by messaging. You watch the YouTube about the Zoom small meeting you'll be getting. Type yes if you understand. You won't be admitted to the Zoom meeting if you're late. Don't try to use the safety trade system before you come to us, and that's it. We walk you through everything. It's literally like 12 different pages. They're called type forms, and there's a video to each page, and it walks you through it, what to do and how to do it. And this is where you go to get the system as it's going up before our very eyes yet again, by the way. Right here, you go over to safetytrade.com, all one word, doop, safetytrade.com, $575 for the year. You get the exact indicators, how exact same indicators I have, plus you're gonna get me training you in a small group. And that's training in the small group goes on forever. There are alerts here, but I'm telling you, these alerts are good. They're fine. But they were late this morning because I have to send them out or Bree sends them out and they were late. The alerts on YouTube are as immediate as when I go live. So I would go over to the YouTube channel and do that. That's how I would handle it. Oop, there we are. Oh, what a glorious one. Yep, $1,400. Told you still going up. Told you why would I close down a winning trade right there, $1,400 just made a few minutes ago. $2,800 early this morning, a couple hours ago. And this is currently done live. $1,500. Are you looking at that? Before your very eyes, it just went up $100. There it is. There, the 1,500, I saw it. It flashed. 1,500, 1,503, 1,503, 15. Boom. There it is. Wow. Fun times. Fun times. Okay. Did I answer your question, Candle Envy? Good morning, everyone. I want a free scanner. Candle Envy, I don't think you're even in the system yet. No. You have to buy the system first. PJ Marketing Media Group. The drawdown has to be crazy. The exposure is clear out of this world. PJ Marketing, you've earned yourself a band. Did you take care of them already? This is great. I'm so great for you. Let's go ahead and go over PJ Marketing coming here with a negative attitude. Okay. And let's view this deleted message for market. Let's go over what he's talking about because he sounds so intelligent, doesn't he? Envy is my YouTube account, and Kim the Candle Lady is my TikTok account. Oh, that's so cute. So it is Kim. I thought so. Kim, meet Kim. Kimberly Harrington, meet Kim. Kim Harrington's one of our most successful traders. She makes money. She retired. She made money. She retired again, I think. We're going to retire again. I don't know. She just makes money all the time. She's our gold woman. She can call gold and USD out in her sleep. Now, let's go over the drawdown has to be crazy on this system, and the exposure is clearly out of this world. So PGA Marketing and Media Group is 100% operating on old school teachings. So let's go through his logic so you guys can get a good laugh at this, okay? So here we go. This is the man that you're going to listen to over here. This guy right here just said the exposure has to be crazy. On any given day, 97% of all retail traders lose money. He's one of them. He's using all the old ways of thinking. Instead of coming in here being nice and asking questions, he came in here and told us what is going on. Okay, whoever passed their FIFMO challenge, whoever's an accredited trader, how much was your drawdown? How much was your drawdown, if anything? How much was your drawdown? Would be able to trade as we train. Sorry, I'm a complete novice. Troy, we took a complete novice named Phil. Where is Phil's testimonial at? Phil, in 3 months, made $30,000 his first, over $30,000 his first month trading. This system is made for complete novices. Who it is not made for is a person by the name of PGA Marketing and Media Group, because he has a closed mind and a negative mind, and we won't tolerate that here. The old way of thinking is a 97% failure rate. I am not tolerating that here. Gap, I'm sorry, Patrick's saying there's a NAS. Let's see. I haven't even looked at 1 minute. There is. What he's talking about right here is green, green, green. Space right here. Green, green is going to go up again, and it will. The problem is, Patrick, we're entirely too far away from the 5-minute line. I'm not going to even call that trade. You're 100% right in your read. We're too far away from this line with the price. Price has to come down here. Then I'll take the trade again. Again, I would even do that for US30. It's too far away. It's going to come down again. So we're going to wait. Watch it come down again like it did here when we made all that money. The trade we're in was right here. When this comes back down to here again and retest, we'll go in again. Simple as that. Link, please. I want this. You should day trade for a while first, then long enough for $200. That is correct. You always come online trading live. Yes, I've come on live trading for the last 6 months. That is, well, I've been on here for a year, but it's been documented 6 months on YouTube. To be able to trade, yes, you'll be able to trade within I would wait about a month, Troy, and then start to trade. But definitely within 3 months, you can start to trade. You always come on live. Yes, I do. Monday through Friday. Trade demo. You're exactly right. Thomas is telling you exactly right what to do. Where to get this? I can pull it up for you. Thesafetytrade.com. Yep. And Thomas is on top of this shit, precious. Here's where you go to buy this. Look at that shit right there. Thesafetytrade.com, all one word. $575 for the year. You get the exact system I have, which you see on the screen. And I teach you how to use it in a small group. And I keep teaching you how to use it every week until you fucking get sick of seeing me, or you get sick of seeing me, or you actually understand what you're doing. You just want to come in for refreshment. Now, when I'm in Vegas, it's a little lagging on the training, but I still do it. It's just a little iffy. When I get home, I'll probably be doing it twice a week. Okay. I can't wait to do this in coming money soon, and I'm going to be doing this. I can't wait. Awesome married life. Ooh, interesting name, married life. Oh, our connection is great. They switched us to a higher video quality. Wow, thank you. Very interesting, says Troy. Go watch the YouTube videos and see if you stay interested or you become, holy crap, this guy's a fortune teller. I passed the $25,000, 100,000, almost done with the 500. Never came close to drawdown. Thank you, Patrick. Did you hear what he's? You're 500,000, Patrick. You go, Patrick. You're gonna catch Tommy. Tommy's the highest one I know. He made 950,000, I believe. So there's a person telling you, Mister, whoever you were over there, saying, "Oh, it's going to be a drawdown." You can't get FITMO approved. You or FTMO approved. You can't get your accreditation and be accredited trader with that big drawdown. You can't do it. Trust me on that. Why wait a month to pass 50,000 futures account? Because you have to learn how to trade. Why wait a month? Because most people aren't new, and they come in with all these old beliefs that cause a 97% failure rate. All trade 97% of people who use Fibonacci believe in it. It's hard to get it out of their head. Fibonacci retracements. It's hard to get out of their head. So they lose. They lose. They lose. How many traders lose? 97% of all retail traders and almost 35% of all professional traders lose every trade they make because they can't get all the old stuff out of their head. When you come into our program, my program, Bri and I's program, it is totally different. You're actually not going to ever hear the word support and resistance, ever. It's the silliest thing on earth. What's support and resistance? What's a breakout? No, you can't fool me. I did all that, right? I did all this shit for 6 years. 6 years I sucked into all that stupid lie. 6 years I learned about naming of candles. You tell me one time a candle has anything to do with anything. Morning star, evening star. How about look to the left? How about CPI? Don't trade CPI days. Don't trade non-farm payroll days, NFP days. Don't tell me this. Mondays are a trap day. Fridays are a trap day. Who all heard that bullshit for all their lives? And you know what it's gotten you? It isn't me telling you this. Google it. Google how do 97% of retail traders lose money and Google it. Here's your answer. I Googled it. Do 97% of day traders lose money? On any given day, 97% of all day traders lose money. There it is. So, whenever I was taught Fibonacci retracements, it was wrong 97% of the time. Whenever I was taught trend trading, it was wrong 97% of the time. Whenever I was taught for 6 years, look to the left, ascending and descending wedges, naming of candles, I was wrong 97%. I was probably wrong 99% of the time, but anyway, 97% of the time for 6 years. I was wrong. And if you guys are better than that, then what are you doing on my channel? Go somewhere else. I don't have time for it. Trust me, all of you are losing money. I know because I did it for fucking 6 years. You're losing money. You need a system that works. This system that works. Yep. Oh, look at this. Now we went from 1,200, 1,100, 200. Now we're at $1,600 on that trade that was just placed right here about what 20, 30 minutes ago. These trades were placed earlier, not on the live. This is placed straight on the live right now. And we also made 7 trades, correct trades in a row. Renamed US30 ATM30, and it made money for us. One, two. It was 7. This is the 7th time, so 6 prior times. And this time right now we're up $1,600 on a 0.09 trade. There you go. And I'm still holding it. I don't get out of my trades like a scared little rabbit. I hold my trades. Okay. What other questions are there? Name on YouTube, please. Always up. It's right here. The YouTube channel's right here. Safety trade. Over 4 or right at 400 videos. Every day I've ever traded for the last 6 months. There. You popped up on my FBI. No way, Mac. That's so cool. And by the way, we have rules. And one of the rules, where's my little rules at? Where's my little rules at? Here. The rules that we have, you guys, whether I piss you off or not, I don't really care. It's not my job to make you happy. It's my job to make you guys money. You're about to see something. It's so cute. We have rules. These are the rules. Whatever our rules say, you come down to rule number 8. The most important rule we have. But there's rules to trading. That's why our scanner works so great. Right here. Always thank God. Always do good with your profits. Always thank God is self-explanatory. Let me tell you. I don't care if you want to thank Jesus, Muhammad, a flying spaghetti monkey, but I would consider Jesus inspired me to learn this system. He granted me the knowledge with the system. I pass it along to you. Didn't have to do it. Still don't have to do it. At any given time, I don't have to do this. I traded for 2.5 years before I gave it to you guys. And I don't have to keep giving it to you guys for $575. Are you kidding me? I should be charging $50,000 pop. I should be charging $100,000 trying to help you all make money. At any rate, always thank God means be thankful. Attitude of gratitude, right? Tony Robbins, whatever you want to believe. Always do good with your profits means help people who can't help you back. Start with your family. Work with children maybe you haven't talked to. Maybe go to a niece or a nephew, help them out. Go to a grandparent. Go to someone, an uncle you haven't talked to, for help the person out with your profits. Then work your way outward. and then always have my back on my lives when I ask you. I haven't asked you guys to speak up one time, probably in a week. I haven't asked you guys at all to speak up one time in a week. How's that? Isn't that freaking wild? By the way, we're up another $100 as I'm talking to you on that. There it is. There it is. We're gonna hit 1,700 maybe. Ooh, 1,700, 1,700, 1,700, 1,700, right there before your eyes. We've literally it went from 0, right, to $1,700 with no drawdown. Drawdown. They're so dumb. People are grasping on their straws for life to try to hang on to an old system that has failed them completely. It drives me nuts. Why would you try to do that? Morning, Kev. I'm excited for a session tomorrow. I'm excited too, Jeremy. Make sure, Jeremy, please. I'm sure you do. And I'm just giving you a heads up. Please make sure you have your type form correctly done and everything on here done correctly so that when you come to your meeting, you're not late. You have your, well, in your case, you probably have the ice cream recorder ready to go. Just make sure you're ready, please, Jeremy. I would hate for you to be rescheduled. Ranger except thank God. Why would you think someone who's doing nothing? Handyman, it might not be a program for you, my brother. I don't care what you do. I don't care if you call it a flying spaghetti monster, but I guarantee you can't tell me how we're here. I guarantee you can't tell me why, but I'm not getting this philosophical debate. It's my views, and since I created the system, I get to say what I want. Whether you like it or not, I don't give a rat's ass. How about that, bro? Whether you thank him or don't, I don't care. Then don't. Doesn't matter to me. When you start these future games, you're going to freak out how easy it is with the system. That is true. Over and over. Good afternoon. What's your take on gold? And I look at it right now. System will change your life. Thank you, Patch, for speaking up. Yes. What do I think of gold? Let's take a look at gold. Easy peasy. Let's take a look. 1 minute. I already hit its blue line. It was a nice, not 5 minute, 5 minute, 5 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, 15 minute buy stop, 15 minute buy stop. Easy as you can see. Just did this triple pattern. Look, it just did this triple pattern on the US30 5 minute. Watch. I'm sorry, 1 minute right here. Get it. Triple pattern, triple bottom, triple W, whatever you want to call it. Green, 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 red, green, 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 red, green, green, red. Now let's look at gold. Let's go to the 15 minute. Notice the same pattern. Green, 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 red, green, 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 red, green, green, red. Buy stop. 15 minute buy stop. Gold. To where? I don't know. Let's take a look and see. Negative 30-minute buy stop. It's technically a 30-minute, 1 hour buy stop. Means 30-minute candle. Came over, touched this. Look what it did. It's the same thing over and over again. You guys are so funny. Prices under rules came up over the buy stop. Like that's what it's going to do. Period. That's what gold's doing. Where to? I can tell you if I can get up to something. Let's see. Nope. 1 hour, 4 hour, 4 hour. Too far away. For 1 hour, 1 hour. Yeah, we're good on a 30-minute, 30-minute, 15-minute. Yep. Daily buy. It's already see again. You guys are kind of late. This daily buy was called out. Look at how far ago. This daily buy was called out 21 days ago. 21 days ago, you would have bought gold at 1844. I don't know what it's at. You would have been right on gold, $60 an ounce if you'd have listened to the system. Why? Look at it. I'll teach you how to trade in 2 seconds. This is how you trade. Forget Fibonacci. Forget support and resistance. Forget VWAP. This is how you trade. Watch right here. This is it. Everything's green. Green, green, green against the orange. The most important indicator in the history of the world. The BAC, which stands for Brianna, Olivia, Katie, and Kev. Right there, this BAC indicator is nowhere to be found except for here because I created, I made it, I had it coded, and this is the most important indicator in the history world. It will go down as such, and in the future here, it really will. Don't care. It's not an ego. I'm just telling you facts what's going to happen. It works so freaking good. Green, 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 all green against the orange. You stay right here and you wait. These are daily candles. You know what a daily candles means? It takes a day for it to form. You'll see this pop up right here. It's red. You open up a buy stop above this green line right here. Right here you put it. You see right up here? Above that green line. I'm teaching you how to trade. That's what I'm doing right now. 21 days later, look at it. Wait, wait, wait. It goes up, and now it's up. You would have actually literally been in gold. You could have waited. Now, people don't have patience. I'm never going to wait 21 days. Hell, I could barely hold your attention. I'm trading. It would have been 1856s, 1857, and it's at 1907. So it's $50 an ounce you would have made on gold, 100% safe, zero drawdown, green, 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 red, green, green, and it was a buy. It's easy peasy. You just saw. That's how you trade. I taught you how to trade in a matter of minutes, probably a minute or two. You literally can do it yourself. You will learn how to trade yourself. You will actually do this yourself. And look, I'm gonna take away my buy in line. There it is. There's your proof. There it is up. The Bach never broke. The Bach never broke. Look at it. There it is. There's your money. Boom. Now, you're asking me now what to do. Well, you should have did this trade a while ago, but whatever, 1 hour, 4 hour. I'm telling you. And you're in the money, by the way. If you went in that 15-minute buy stop, it's going up before your very eyes, and you're in the money. You're welcome. You asked about gold? There you go. Just made you money. Oh, yeah, I love telling how it is, but I have to not cuss because TikTok gets pissed and I'm monetized on YouTube. Had this in 3 weeks, started with $500 account and over 2,000 receipts to prove. Nice job, Chad. Bitcoin's the easiest one to trade. Bitcoin's the easiest. But whoever said gold, asked about gold, I told you it was going to go up. Where are you at? Hi from Greece. Hi, big boy from Greece. That's bad boy. Nope, there's big boy, bad Brad. Bad Brad, you're going up before your very eyes. Hope you're happy with that call I just made. It just went up. Now, Bitcoin. You want to see the easiest thing to call? I would never trade Bitcoin without my scanner or the system. It works every time. It's like, oh my, Bitcoin's so easy to read. We literally were calling buy stop on Bitcoin January the 3rd at $1,600. Then we started calling the sell. This is an obvious. I just showed you what it looked like on a daily. Well, this is a 15-minute Bitcoin. Green, 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 red, green, green, buy stop. You already missed it. It already went up. 4 hour. You're too late. It's already, there is nothing to say. It's not even a sell stop anymore. Daily, buy. I told you this month ago. This is a buy. Bitcoin is going to be going up. I can't find the blue line on this because I don't have enough memory on this particular one. But it was somewhere in the range of about 30 to 32,000, which is awesome. The daily Bitcoin. The weekly Bitcoin is still a sell stop. So yes, you're going to get a rise up. I called this. You want to know specifically when I called this? It was, let's go over to here so we can get specifics. This buy stop was called 8 days ago. I called this buy stop on Bitcoin. It's the exact same thing as gold. Are you not looking? Green, 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 red, green, green, and it went up. You don't have the line here because I don't have enough memory. I'm in Vegas. These aren't my real computers. These are, I just brought temporary computers to use. I have 3 here. These aren't the ones I use at home, though. So look at it. Look at it. There's Bitcoin, and there it went up. Told you. Told you it was going up. Told you it was going up. Told you it was going up. And not only that, we have a scanner that told you it was going up. 5 minute told you it was going up. 15-minute told you it was going up. Up, up, buy Bitcoin 1 minute. Too late. You're already on this buy. 15-minute too late. 30-minute already closed the gap. 1 hour already closed the gap. 4 hours too late. Daily, you're on a daily buy. That's where you're at, and you're too late. It's already gone. It's already gone up. Told you. I told you this. Go back, watch my YouTube video from 8 days ago, 9 days ago, 7 days ago, 6 days ago, 5 days ago. Bitcoin's a buy. I said it over and over and over again. I told you where it was going. I told you it was a buy. It's easy. Jeez, anyone can do this shit. What about you? Do you trade pairs? Absolutely. Let's go over here. I'm going to show you guys something that's going to blow your mind. You want to see something that's the most amazing thing in the history of the world? This scanner. Well, besides the system. The scanner trades just like I trade. It's within 99.95% accuracy. You'll have a Forex room with your scanners. The Forex room trades every major and cross there is. And look right here. You see this right there? There is a buy stop. 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minutes, 1 hour. 1 hour buy stop, GBP CAD right there. Look, you can click on it, get the picture. The scanner scans over 100 different symbols to trade like I trade to see if there's any, and it tells you with a moving green arrow. If you guys don't know what a moving up green arrow means, then don't get the system. God, this is looking for a buy. That means you would open up the chart and see if this is accurate at a buy. That is a Forex room. There's an indices room with oil and gold in it. There's a crypto room. I wouldn't trade one. I said this earlier. I wouldn't trade one crypto, one of the big ones, whether it's Ethereum, Litecoin, Neo, Solana, Bitcoin. Look, there's one USD dot. It's formed. It was a 30. It looks like it was a 15-minute sell stop, and now it's at a 30-minute hour buy stop. But you have to check it. You have to pull it up. Look at it. Look how it shows you. We're in Tuxedo room. Look at it. Look at it. Then there's a stock room with all kinds of different stocks for you. What's up? Let's see. And then there, I mean, Amazon. It scans over 100 different symbols. It's $50 for 2 of the rooms. You can make your own dashboard up. I have my own dashboard where I get my own alerts. Yep, look at that. US30 is a sell stop. It formed a sell stop right here, and there it is on the, which one are we on? Sorry, 1 hour. It's on the 1 hour. And you can see a minus there. See that going down arrow? Look how cool the scanner is. Then we have top 10 rooms, top 10 indices, top 10 Forex, top 10 cryptos, top 10 stocks, and then you can make your own dashboard. And this is the most amazing scanner you've ever seen in your entire life, ever. It's scanning hundreds of different look at it, there it is. 100 of different symbols to look for different ways to trade. I can't keep track of that. I keep very close tabs on about maybe 5 things. Look at it. It's just amazing. Look at it. So cool. Yeah. And tell me that you can click on it and see the picture, and you can zoom in on the picture to see if it's correct. This is what I call that. So I told you. There is a 1-hour sell stop at all 3 indices, period. It's calling it. The scanner called it. There it is. There it is. There it is. NAS 100 sell stop. SPX 500 sell stop. US30 sell stop. It's calling out the trades just a little later than me, but exactly like I call them. There it is. Can't say it's not moving down with the down arrow. What the hell does the red down arrow mean? It means sell, sell stop, short, whatever you want to call it. That's what it means. Look at that scanner. You can't get the scanner unless you buy the system. Look at it. Fucking fantastic. All right, where were we? All right, guys. Can we get you any more money? Went over Bitcoin, went over gold. Buy stop, by the way. Buy stop, 1 minute buy on US30. I'm not taking it too far away. I want US30 to pull down to its red line right here. I want NAS to pull down to its green line right there. I want SPX to pull down to its red line right there. So until I see these pull back down on the 5 minute, I'm not going to call it. But it is an unofficial buy stop on US30 right now. Scanner's $50 for 2 rooms after you buy the system. I did Bitcoin for you. It's useless. GU. I can look at GU for you. I'll look at that manually. GBP USD is what he's asking for. It is leading red. 1 minute sell. 1 minute sell. 5 minute buy. 5 minute buy. 5 minute buy. It's a 1 minute sell. 5 minute buy. Don't really care. Don't really care. It's already gone up. It's a daily buy. Oh shit! This is a daily buy to the blue line. Daily. If you want to do Warren Buffett type of trading, which no one does, daily buy to the blue line. But I still think you're going to see a little 1 minute drop in a minute here, just a little dip. Then you're going to see it go up on the 5 minute, which will be up on the daily for you. That's how I read it. Okay. All right. So that's it. This 1 minute, you're going to see this go up, by the way, on the US30. I hope it will go down, but I just think it's too strong right now. It's just surging, so it's going to go up a little bit. All right. What about GU? Set it. Thomas, we trading anything available on EOFX that includes Spirit? Yes, it does, Thomas. Hey, I've been listening at work. Just got a break. What's the YouTube again? The safety trade. The YouTube channel is the safety trade. The safety trade. Thank you, Thomas. How much is the scanner cost? $50 for 2 rooms, $100 for unlimited rooms. Right now, that price when we get home in a couple of weeks from Vegas, 2-3 weeks, when we get home, that price will be going up to $100 a room. Unless you've already bought, then it won't go up. It's got to be the winning team. I don't know about that all, Jeff Don, but we're really, really helpful with each other, and I think we are. Yes, sir. NHM, okay with the system. Okay. Thank you, I guess. System plus scanner cost. The system, you're going over here. Let's be clear. You go over the safety trade right here. It is the safetytrade.com. $575 for the system. And then if you want this, because you don't need the scanners are just bonus. If you want the scanners, it's $50 a month for 2 rooms. Matter of fact, they wouldn't even ask. You shouldn't even get the scanners the first month. You got to wait, learn the system, do all that shit is what I would do. Watch you trade. NH more 10. Are you using the system I've watched you trade? 575 for the years, correct. $40 calls. SQQ. No, I don't. Yeah, you can do that. Boy, if you knew SQQ and TQQ and QQQ, and you use this system to trade with it with SPX, holy shit! And someone's going to get that. I want my guy to eventually figure that out, but someone's going to figure that out one day. And when they do, holy shit, you'll see what I mean. $50 for 2 months. Yeah, 2 rooms per month. Correct. 2 rooms, $50 for a month. Correct. K9, good morning, guys. Question: Can you pick any crypto token off stock to trade? Or stock? Well, you can pick any. Yeah, any of the big cryptos. Anything that's in here. Let me show you the market watch. Watch. Anything in here. By the way, it went back up again. All these different stocks you can pick. The futures only have the dollar. The indices, any of the indices you can pick to trade. Yeah, anyone that we have in our rooms, you can pick yourself. Make up your own scanner room. By the way, it's gone up yet again. Let's be clear on this. I just said US30 was going to go up. As you were watching me, US30 just went up. I didn't take this trade because it's too far away and I don't like where it is. But nonetheless, I'm up again. I'm up $1,500 again. There it is. Still in these two trades from earlier. This is a trade live I just did with you guys just a few minutes ago. Yay. 1,500 still holding it. Why would you close a win trade? Oh, you got to close your trades down really quick. They don't know what they're doing. When you see this setup, green, 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 red, green, green, it goes up. Simple as that. That's what it did, and that's what it's doing. Period. Here you go. This isn't hard. This isn't rocket scientist. This is just what it does. Every day, in every way, the system is correct. How long until you're in jail? Says Ronick. Probably not jail. They're probably going to take out every one of us that has bought the system or using the system, to be honest with you. I will more than gladly sell the system for $10 million. But yes, you can make up your own. Let me show you again. On your scanner room, you can take your scanner. Look at this. You can make your own dashboard. So I only want to follow ERUSD. This is mine. NAS, US30, and EC and gold. So I only get alerts for these symbols. Out of all the hundreds of symbols it's watching, these are the only ones I want. So I get an alert to my phone through my email. Yeah, I literally broke the AI code. So when Ronarchy is kind of being facetious with what he's asking, but the reality of it is, I broke the code for their little AIs, Aladdin and Adam, BlackRock and Vanguard. So they can't trade. I know what they're going to do before they do it. I literally drew a trade out Sunday at 4 p.m. It came true at 3 a.m. that morning. It was a 1 hour sell stop. I called exactly what it was going to do, where it was going to go, and how it was going to act. So yeah, they're not going to be happy. But then again, first 10 mil, I own the rights to it. I have the copyright. I have the patent pending, and all the system. So $10 million out there, it's peanuts to them. It's bullshit, peanuts to them or whatever. Also, and then they can shelf. And then you guys will no longer have it. So whatever. I'll fight for the guys in it. That's all I can do. Okay. Platform Keith is MetaTrader 4 using custom scanner bot. Nope. It's a custom system that I developed that you, by the way, you're in the money on gold. You're in the money on the gold trade and the US30 trade and the NAS and the SPX trade I call for you, and Bitcoin, by the way. No, it's a custom system I developed so you learn how to train. The scanner, yes. Oh, I'm sorry. The scanner is custom. The scanner runs off my system. Look, it comes up with this little stuff right here. It gives you an alert. Then it comes down. We'll test. And yeah, no, this one, new safety trade UK oil. Let's see what it looks like. There it is right here. You can see right here that this found a new trade on UK oil. You can pick a picture of it. You can zoom in on the picture. You can see if this is true or not, and it is. It's a correct read, but I still pull up on the charts. This little new thing and the banner will hold up literally for a minute. Look at that. Look at how happy Texas is. And this is a sell stop, which means it's likely going to go down. This new alert will go to your phone or your email, and then after a minute, this will go away. This will still spin for 5 minutes. Absolutely. Yeah. Oh, Thomas is probably worried that the guy's stealing the things. I know they come on here and steal the trades. Now, if he's using my system, I'll sue the living fuck out of him. That's why we have 2 attorneys. We actually had a warning with one of our guys, and we actually had to take a guy out that was trying to resell the calls. There it is. Okay, look how beautiful this is. Yes. Oh, careful, little buddy. He's the one cat that has no coordination. But yeah, it is custom, I guess, to that. Is EU going to buy? Using custom scanner bot. Okay, EU is EU. So if you're asking, is EUR/USD a buy. Let's take a look at it right here. And by the way, it's going up again and again and again on the US30, just so we're clear. And you're in the money on the gold I just called, just so you're 1 minute buy. Buy stop. Buy 5 minute. Oh, what did he say? He copies the system. I'm soon to live and fuck out of him. Whatever his name is, pull him up right now. What's his name? I will sue the living fuck out of that asshole. And we'll bombard him with stuff. What's the account name? Is that clown he was talking to up there? Go ahead and steal this and see what happens to you. See how fast you get a lawsuit on your ass. Fucking trademark, patent pending. Get the hell out of here. I didn't work my whole life to develop this for some Yahoo out there to steal it. You ain't doing it. None of you will. Every one of you signs a non-disclosure agreement. Fucking take every penny you make. What's the name of them? Go ahead and put it on there. Yeah, I saw that's who he was talking to. Yeah. Hey, let's see who he is. Oh boy, that sure does sound familiar. But why he doesn't show anything here? Boy, that dude better watch himself quick. You better watch what he's doing. Where's his indicators at? Even think about stealing this shit, you're done. I will smash you with more lawsuits. We'll smash you with 150 different people coming on you. You better not have any indicators like mine, none like mine. If I see it, I'm calling you out right now. You better be trading with useless shit. Okay. He's absolutely trading with useless shit. He's using the candles. Oh my God, they're the most useless thing on earth.
Do have someone with that.
That's fine. He can do all that he wants, but he's trading with. He's outdated. He's using these things. No, we're okay on that one. Thank you for the heads up, though. Thank you for that. But anybody thinks about stealing this thing, they're dead in the water. There'll be an annihilation, legal annihilation. Hey, whatever happened to our other guy that was looking at that one other guy? Camera people. I'll have to get a hold of him. Richard. Yeah, that's all right. We'll get him. MetaTrader 4, ER told you I just happened to catch it on his live trading sessions on the site. We'll keep an eye on it. Let me know, please. I couldn't see anything. Sounds good. I love you guys too much to let goofy stuff happen. Thank you, Thomas. Appreciate that, buddy. All right. So you're in the money on gold. You're in the money on US30. This is NAS 100. 5 minute. Yep. Just keeps going up and up. Let me see where we're heading to. We already hit 15, already hit 30. Did SPX already hit its 15 minute, hit its 30? Oh, no, that's why. Look at that. SPX to the 30 minute. SPX is going to hit its 15 minute line soon. Oh, you go, little SPX. What about US30? US30, 15 minutes. It's going to its 30. Yes. Oh, this is great. Hell fucking no, I ain't selling this stuff. We're holding this shit. Look at this. We already got NAS to its 30. Now we're going to see SPX next. Who wants to take a bet? I'll take a bet. We're calling out the horse races. Here's our money. This is the trade that just happened live. Literally just a couple minutes ago was at 1,400. Now it's at 1,800, 1,900, 300. This trade right here is at $1,800. Who's taking? Let's take some bets. SPX 500, SPX 500 to the blue line. Will it already be? We already know NAS already hit it. What blue line is this? It's called a crazy blue line. We already have 15-minute blue line hit by NAS. Will SPX hit its blue line next or US30? That is the two choices you have. Dark horse is US30. I'm going to take SPX. SPX to its blue line next. SPX to its blue line next. Buy stop. SPX to its blue line. Hell, I should have looked at that. I would never sold another one either. Here it comes up. I'm going to call SPX. Anyone want to take wagers on this? Let's go ahead. Let's take some wagers. Let's do some wagering. Let's go. Here, kitty, kitty. Sounds good. Kevin, US30 could be heading for the 59. Yes, Moto. I didn't even look over to you. I'm sorry. Moto called that first. Correct. Time to dig. Thanks, Coach. You're welcome, Captain. Have a good time digging. Good. I'm sorry. One day you won't have to do that. Kev, can I send you an email? Yes, sir. Thank you for doing that. Patrick Naz, remember, overtrading will not make extra money. Thank you, Patrick. Bad 1 minute, but 5 minutes is stretch. I'm done just throwing it out there. Correct. You just start correct. Thanks, Kev. Just booked a session with you. Awesome, Rosh. Welcome aboard. Can't wait to train with you. I'm taking an extra vacation. Could you just add a trailing stop loss? No, absolutely not. Do not use trailing stop losses. They're old school. They don't work. Don't do it. Gold 5 minute sell stop. Oh, okay, Tech Night. Check that out. Just got back to home last night. You've been watching 3 months. Wow. Every other live, I think, shows they know what they are doing with support and zones and nothing else. Every other live I see thinks they know. Yeah, they know nothing. I will. So thank you. Safety trade. Awesome. Drawdown with someone I passed to the third one now. Yep. We changed the video quality and now it's just spinning and won't load on my end on TikTok. Oh, fuck. They did the damn video quality thing on TikTok? Shit. We had so many people. Well, I don't know. Can anyone on TikTok still see me or no? Can you guys on TikTok still see me? I'm new to trading. I'm so sorry for the dumb question. Not a dumb question, Lorando. Thank you for asking it nicely. We will take everyone that does really well are experienced traders who immediately see how great it is and they get it immediately. They forget about their things. So live alerts are free. Yeah, live alerts are free. Can you give me a quick rundown of the products and what they include? Yeah, I'll teach you how to trade too on that. Yeah, do you need a broker? You would use Eagle FX. Let me walk you through what you would do. And that's how, and then we'll do it. Yes. Oh, cool. Okay. Geez, what do I buy right now? Well, let's go over there. Okay, let's start from the beginning. Say you guys like the system. Let me move this all this out of the way. And you want to buy the system. Let me move out of this too. Now, how you'd handle it is this. All you do is go over here. I don't think anyone caught when I was giving the warning about what's going to happen. That guy asked. Anyway, safetytrade.com is where you go to. You go over here, spend $575. Buy the system. That's the first step. Beginners, experienced people, you can read about it. Whatever you want to do that. It's all it's explicitly laid out. If you come over to here, thesafetytrade.com, buy the system. We never contact you first. You have to do your shit. When you do that, then you're going to get what's called a type form sent out to you immediately. It's going to be a step-by-step what to do. It says, hi, welcome to our new Member Easy walkthrough, and they have a video on it, blah, 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 and it does that. Can I show it any bigger? No, because if we show it bigger with the video, it doesn't actually do the things. All right. You actually go to that one, right? And the second one, it's step by step. Most of our new clients can and do follow simple instructions, spelled wrong, but there's always that 1 or 2 out of 10 that does not follow simplest instructions. Because of this, please write these exact words. I will follow the exact instructions on this form. When you do that, the next one you click on right here, and you have to click it before you can go forward. This is exactly what happens. You get this exact form like this. Watch the NDA YouTube, and there's a YouTube video with non-disclosure agreement. It tells you about it, how you sign it, you give it back to us. You do that. The next thing it says, type yes if you understand. You can join our Discord after you have your training session with me. And again, as simple as that is, some people don't even understand that. The next thing you get, next page you get, next form you get, type yes if you understand the future group training sessions, blah, 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 blah. There's a video on that. And it gives you when that is. And again, that's another video. Watch this one, your own personal scanner room. It tells you about the scanner room. I'm not going to go into that one. You get one set of indicators. Oh, Lord, help us on this. You only get a set of real, and it tells you how. And we give a video and we show you or demo. And it tells you exactly how to give us that number. We send them to you. Okay. And then we tell you exactly how to open them and install them. Okay. Watch this one right here. How to install your indicators. It not only tells you how to do them, we have a YouTube video explaining you step by step how to do them and to ignore this one alert that comes up and what to do. It's very self-explanatory, but you actually have to read and follow instructions. If you can't follow and read instructions, then this system isn't for you. But it is it's made for beginners, period. I had to make it for my 2 daughters, actually. And then you have about completing this form and all that. So that's what it is. So you literally get walked through after you buy the system. So the very, very, very first thing you do is head over to safetytrade.com, buy the system right here. Then after you buy the system, then all you do is you just get the little email or your little message that has that type form in it, and you follow it. And there's YouTube videos the whole entire way. Speaking of which, we're up yet again. Now we're at $1,800 from $1,700. There it is, and we know where it's going. And we're in these two trades early this morning. We're in this trade just a little bit ago. We're going up to the blue line. I don't think anyone made a bet. I'm going to go ahead and I'm still going to take SPX first to its blue line and then US30. Yeah, I'm going to stick with that one. SPX is going to be second place. Yes, Kev, we can't see on TikTok. Oh, awesome. Kevin, US30 could be heading for the fifth. Yes, you're exactly right, Moto. All right, let's go back over to TikTok. I hear precious little fingers typing away, typing away, typing away. Wow, $600 ripped off. Yeah, you're right. You're right. It is, Farron. You're right. That $575 is a complete rip off. You're a smart man there. You're exactly right, Farron. There you go. You're so smart, Farron. Where's he at? What is this thing saying? Give me just 1 second. I want to make sure I is the training. Yes, the training is included. That is correct. Oh, you took him out already? You guys took him out? What do I buy right now? I just told you. Oh, damn. I think Thomas took him out. Good job, Thomas. Thank you. That's Precious, you're busy. He's busy. I got rid of him. No negativity. Correct, Thomas. Thank you, sir. So for six, he's saying, I don't think he understands that there's Jay, Tommy, Bill, Goroff, Kimberly. These people make $1,000 a day. These people make $100,000 a day. Jay Cochran has made over $100,000 a day using this. But you're right, buddy. You're right. $600 is a ripoff. Good call. Good call on that one. Way to come in here not asking questions, but telling us. Good job, brother. How much are you trading with those trades on the screen? The $1,800 profit. I can tell you. Right here. There it is. 09. That's what it is. I'm not a financial. Let's go back all the way up to there. I'm not a financial advisor. This is just for fun. Not my ass off. I'm trading only. That's for you guys. I'm not a financial advisor. I have 7 different live Eagle Ethics accounts. I also have 2 Hugo Way accounts where this is one of them. The platform is MetaTrader 4. The broker is Eagle FX. The lot size is 0.09. The YouTube channel is okay. The YouTube channel is this one right here, the Safety Trade. You can learn and learn about the system at safetytrade.com. Beware of the scammers. We will never contact you first ever. And then this is one of the this is one of the scammers right here that tried to take money from one of our people. Did take money from one of the people. This fellow right here, 0.77. It's a scam. So okay. So they're 0.09. Don't ask why I like 0.09 sizes. I got lost money for 6 years. I have guys, literally Jay Cochran, Phil, they make more money per day, Jose, than I do. I'm thrilled when I make a grand 2, 5, 6,000 a day, right? Thrilled. Then there comes along Jay, he'll make 50,000. Goroff will make 54,000 in a day. Tommy makes $10,000 every time he trades. So there you go. I don't know. I'm still apprehensive from all the losses for 6 years, I think, so I don't overly get too aggressive with that. But and you can see it right here, by the way. There's a trade size. I'm so sorry. Yeah, if you go to TikTok, you can see the whole trade right now. On YouTube. On TikTok, I can only show you partial because there's not enough screen size. This is the time in. This is the date. Time in date. This is the buy. This is the lot size. 0.09. This is a symbol. Stop losses are all take profit. This is what you can't see all this. This is what you're up over. So yeah, we're just waiting to go up now to the 15-minute line on. I think it's going to be SPX. Whichever one of the two will get there. I do like betting it, but yeah, I'm almost positive it's going to be SPX. Now, if I can get you guys filling the gap buy coming up. 1 minute. I don't know about NAS. You're in the money on your gold call that I called for you. You're in the money on that gold call, 15-minute buy stop. Okay. $9 for every $1 move on indices. Depends on what you're trading. What does 09 mean? It's kind of roughly what Raj is saying on US30. That's correct. Well, I mean, it is correct on SPX. I don't know how to word it. They're just different. The intensity levels. So, for instance, the same exact trade. Let's go over this one right here on US30 from here to here is 109 pips. So that will yield you what I'm trading about $900 on the same exact trade, which they're all three the same, by the way. On the same exact trade on NAS 100, that's $450. The same exact trade on the same exact trade on SPX is 9 times 15, basically, $450 or whatever that is. So SPX doesn't have the same density, even though it's 0.09. SPX wins and losses aren't as great. That's why we use that as our training, by the way. Green, 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 red, green, green, buy stop. There it is. I mean, this is I made it color coded so beginners and newbies can trade easily. Even this little dot right here, green, 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 red, that little dot, and it's a buy stop. By the way, it's another buy stop filling the gap about to happen. There you go. And if CPI comes out and you guys say, oh, this, don't trade, lock in your profits, wait. There's a 1 hour sell stop, actually close to 4 hour. US30, 1 hour sell stop. Is it a 4 hour now? Nope, not yet. About to be a 4 hour sell stop NAS and a 4 hour, 1 hour sell stop SPX. If you don't know what those are, I can't really help you on that. This is what they are. Okay. All right. Sorry, I'm in and out and currently working. So it's hard for me to trade and work. I understand that, Sandman. Tuxie, yep. Someone, LT said hi, Tuxie. Money magnets. Your name should be line. It is a money magnet. Yes, Kev, we can see you on TikTok. Really starting to see the line stuff. And thanks, Kevin. It's crazy how it's like a big magnet. It is money magnet. It is. Good morning, all. Good morning, MH. Oh, I believe wasn't MH the dude I traded last night? Last fella. Yeah. Welcome, MH. Hope you made a whole bunch of money using your SPX today. Let's go over those 1 minute trades for MH so you can see exactly that SPX. Look, there's SPX. This is your buy stop. You should solve this yourself. Green, 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 red, green, green, buy stop, up it goes, right? There it is. Then you had NAS, also the same trade. Green, 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 red, up it went. There you go. And here's SPX. Green, 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 red, and then it went up. So all three always trade the same. We already called them to the 5 minute. The next step was which one was going to hit first. So we had NAS hit the blue line first right here. And then we had SPX hit its blue line. And then I called live the trade we're in on US30 to hit its 5 minute blue line. And it did about an hour later. Remember I was teaching you that MH yesterday and a whole bunch of you actually. And that's why we're in this buy. Now we're currently waiting for a 15-minute tap. Currently, we have NAS past this 15-minute blue line. Then we have SPX heading towards blue line, which I believe will be next. So SPX is going to go to its blue line next. And then you have US30. That is a good bit away, but sometimes US30 gets to rolling. US30 will to its blue line. I think you're about to see SPX hit it. We're also in a gold buy stop. It's been in profit twice. The gold buy stop has been in profit twice. So yeah, there's that. And then that's it. So I'm going to keep this SPX 15-minute open right here. We'll watch it over here. US30 over here, 1 minute. So there you go. And there's the fill in the gap I just told you is going to happen. Green will touch the yellow. You saw the price go up. It's not a lot. There's a reason for that. We're too far away. We need the 5 minute to pull back now, to drop down hard. We need the 5 minute to drop down on SPX, on NAS, and US30. It's too far away. I think it's going to keep going up, unfortunately, so we keep making more and more money, but I prefer it to drop. Meriting was a waste of time and money. I don't know what meriting is. Meeting was a waste of time. Our meeting was a waste of time and money, MH. I would highly suggest you watch what you're saying at this point in time, MH. Not only was the meeting not a waste of time, I gave you a PhD education how to handle what the trades are. Boy, if he said that, block his ass. Oh, no, my meeting today. Oh, okay. MH, you came within a split second of getting taken out, brother. I'm not fooling around. Oh my God, that was disrespectful as hell. I thought, oh my God, he's trying to say my meeting was a waste of time. Holy fucking shit. That's funny. It's our meeting was great. Okay, MH, just want to make sure. That was close, bro. Yeah, I don't play. There, that was he was in a what is that? Skin of your teeth? I was like, oh my God, what's this man saying? An extra. I gave that fellow extra. I liked him. Actually, I liked MH a lot. Dude. Anywho, when I came in, you were saying you knew what BlackRock is gonna do. How? What's up, Ogilvy? Roshane? Tanny's playing with fire too. It was, yeah, it's fine. No, MH was great. Mark was great. I thought he was a great guy. Oh, damn, I thought he was saying our meeting was bad. That was a laser dot on your forehead, dude. All right. How did I know it was going to happen? All right, guys. Not only does the system give us power, it takes the power back from artificial intelligence. We are smarter than artificial intelligence. Say that loud and proud for the moment, anyways. No, it's been this way for 3 years. So, BlackRock uses AI. Vanguard uses AI. If you don't know who BlackRock is, look them up. They're the biggest motherfuckers in this field. So they're huge. And what they do is they have Adam and they have Aladdin, vice versa for each one. So there's artificial intelligence. They name them Adam and they name them Aladdin. So they literally have to, in order for them to trade, they use artificial intelligence to make the trading as hard as humanly possible so that we can't win. That's why Adam in Aladdin, the artificial intelligence has a 97% win rate. Their job is us to make us lose. So on any given day, 97% of all day traders lose money because of BlackRock's Aladdin and Vanguard's Atom. Those are their AIs. I figured out their AIs and I made it color coded so that we're going to win over 90% of our trades, or 88 or whatever you want, 95, 99, 97, 100, whatever you want to call it. We're going to win the vast majority and they don't anymore. So how did I do it? Well, I spent freaking 6 years losing and I got sick of losing and I had to do something for my youngest daughter to make money. So I said, well, I'm going to get this. I'm going to get this. And I get this. And eventually I got one trade right. I wasn't a 97% loser. For 6 years, I lost like 99% of my trades using all those old fashioned ways. So as it was, I kept going. I added, figured out this, did this. And I developed this color coded trading system that figures out their trades before they happen. Okay. The fight, amigo. I prefer to use KG, right? So watch. In one of my YouTube videos, for instance, not too long ago, I called out a trade on Sunday evening. Okay. Sunday evening, I'm going to go. These three just came up right here. This one right here. I called this one out. 4 p.m. bang, 3:23, 4 p.m. Eastern Standard. So I had two of these. So let's go over here. I'm going to pull this one up for you. This, oops, let me go right here. This, I got my own ads going now. They're cursing me at this point. Isn't it funny? I hate ads when you have to look at them, but they're great. Now this video right here was done live. It said bang, 3:12, 4 p.m. Eastern signal calls, over 12. And then I wrote, and I told you, and I drew out what was going to happen. I said, NAS SPX sell stop, it's going to go down, blah, blah, blah. So I wrote it out, and look right here in the video. Where's the end? I'll show you the video right here. Watch. Video right here. This video live is where I drew out. You see that orange thing? You see this thing right here? I drew it out. There it is live. There it is in the video. And I said, it's going to work its way over. It's going to go up to the 1 hour, and then it's going to drop on all three indices. I said it 11 hours before it occurred. I told you what their AI was going to do, what BlackRock was going to do before it did it by 11 hours. Then, as we did this, this is what happened. You can go to the 1 hour trade. This is the trade right here where I called 11 hours. I'm calling another stop again, by the way. But this stop right here held out 11 hours, went straight down. You'd have been up 750 pips if you did it live. And there it is. Go back on the YouTube videos and watch them. Every day I call out what they're gonna do before they do it. Every day I call out what they're gonna do before they do it. I stopped filling the gap, by the way, 1 minute. Okay. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Oh, wrong thing. I'm looking at a fucking video. Oh my god, I'm so stupid. Alright, here we go. What do we got? I prefer to use KG, correct. You trade demo for the first month, then start with 200. Oh, I missed somebody. Thank you for that. Yeah, Glock top polish. Oh, how much do I need? 0. You should pay $575 to get the system, and then don't trade with any money. Use demo trading. Thomas is 100% correct. Do you have Ogilvy? I had Tommy, one of my guys who had about 12 years experience trading, make a 10 was it a 10,000 or 12,000? One or the other trade within about a half hour of his trading. Totally. So you can do real trading right away. We recommend you don't, but you can do real trading right away. The strong recommendation is being more like Phil. But if you have very good experience and you have open mind, this system is so easy. You can actually trade if you know what you're doing. Almost to me. By the way, that trade I was in, that was 0, that was 200, that was 400, that was 1,600, that was 1,700, is now 1,900. You see it? We know where it's going. We know where the trade is going. This is 3,000, this is 2,000, and this is 1,900. Look at it. There you go. It keeps going up, keeps going up. I'm not selling this. I sold one of them. You open up 2 or 3, close 1 or 2, keep 1 or 2 open. That's what you do. And you let them run. You never close it down. Now we know where they're going because they've tipped their hand. Now we know they're going to their 15-minute blue line. And we still have the 1 hour, 4-hour sell stops, just so we're clear. Still a 1 hour, 4-hour sell. This is just too look at that. There's your $1,800 right before your eyes. God. I have about 4 to 5 year experience. Agali, listen to this story. I've trained people with 10, 15, 20, 25 years. One of the gentlemen I just trained last week had 34 years experience. He was on the floor on the German stock market in 1989 when the crash hit. He was a runner, they call it. Back then, yes, you would manually put your trades in. So I trained someone with 34 years experience, and he's still demo training for his first month. I'm not saying you can't. A profitable tool away from I know, right? See, Agli just said a profitable two for only 575. That is correct. Everyone that gets the system that has any knowledge whatsoever about trading says, you got to charge more, you got to charge more, you got to charge more. Or an Agli, did you see the scanner? You'll love this shit. Not only do you get that for $50 a month, though, if you want to get it, you don't have to. But the scanner rooms, you can scan indices, and gold and oil in there, Forex, crosses and majors, crypto, any Bitcoin, Doge, Ethereum, all these cryptos right here, Litecoin. It's amazing. I wouldn't trade crypto without it, by the way. In all the stocks, any kind of stocks you want. There's and make your own dashboard. We have a scanner that scans hundreds of symbols using my trading system that you learn. And then what you do is you get alerts to your phone. So you can literally have alerts come to your phone telling you when you don't have to be bogged down with the staying in front of your computers anymore. You can actually do this. Look, here's one right there. AUD JPY, AUD JPY, 5-minute buy stop. And there it is. You go pull it up and see if that's true or not because you have the system. You have to get the system to get this. Look at how cool this is. So for $575, I'm giving it away. It should be fucking $50,000. Literally, we have guys making $100,000 a day with the system. Jay Cochran, what's his Tibor, and I'm sorry, what's his face? $54,000 in a day. I'm charging $575 for the year. Look at Odds Japan. And then they get to scanner rooms. Then they can make trades all day long and all these trades sent to you. This will send an alert to you. Look at this shit. It's the most amazing system in the history of the world. I'm telling you right now, you guys are gonna laugh your ass off when you figure out how great this is, how easy it is, how color coded it is. Yeah. 1 minute buy stop on gold. Uh-oh. Kim's calling out a gold one. Now we've already been in gold. Our gold call was on a 15-minute buy stop. Yep, there it is. And there's a 5-minute she's saying. Let's see. Okay, and she's saying a 1 minute. 1-minute buy stop on gold. She's 100% right, like she always is. Kimberly Harrington. I won't say anything, but she is a one of our clients, one of our members. Super sweet person. She knew not a lot about trading, didn't do really well at well, she actually did okay at first, but then she didn't do really well, and now she is retired from her job, and she makes so much money, she got bored and she went back to her job. Then she just told me the other day or told us the other day that she's gonna retire again from her job. So I don't know if that's true or not, but you can make enough money. Phil just sent in a testimonial, one of our new trader guys, well, not new, but he was new when he started. He never had any trading experience. He quit his $140,000 a year job, is now trading full time. He makes anywhere from 1 to 5,000. Actually, made 10,000 the other day. Yep. Can't even now, I fully expect to pull back this red line and too high, too up, too long. I would want this to happen. Once this happens, you're all gonna make a shit ton of money. When US30 hits its red line, when NAS hits its green line, and when SPX hits its 5-minute, all of them come down and hit their 5-minute line, I will make a buy stop call again for you, and you guys will all be rich again. So you should tell all your little friends out there and tell them. No, the scanner is not included. It's $50 a month or $100 a month unlimited, $50 a month for 2 rooms. You can pick your 2 rooms. Anthony Villala says, "Hi, Kevin. I'm scheduled for your next training session. I am looking forward to it. Your system is super easy to understand from watching your live feeds. Maybe it's because I'm techie." Good, Anthony. Yes, it is very easy to learn, but it's one of those things when the bullets are flying at you, you really want to have that rote memory. You really want to know when you see something exactly what you're looking at. You know what I mean? So yes, it's very easy. When you see this green, 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 red, green, green pattern, you put your buy stop in here. You just have to take it, and even if it goes down a little, blah, 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 you have to be able to hold your gun and say, nope, this is exactly what I'm doing. This is exactly what I'm doing. This is exactly what I'm doing. You have to do it that way. Do not, in other words, if you jump into it, you're not sure on what's happening, which I can explain why and how I'm so sure. But it's very, 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 very easy. But yeah, it is not a hard system. We're about to see a buy stop in SPX. Holy shit. Yep. We're about to have a buy stop. I'll call the SPX buy stop, but you have a buy stop on US30. But again, they're too far away. I need this to come back. I need price to come down to that little line. If that comes down there, I'll make a 5-minute buy stop call for you, and you're all gonna be richer than rich. Until this happens, there is a 1-minute buy stop that I am not officially calling. There's a 1-minute buy stop on US30. There's gonna be a 1-minute buy stop in SPX. Yep, there it is. It turned red. There's a 1-minute buy stop in SPX. There is not a 1-minute buy stop yet. You can see there's no red right here. That's what we're looking at on NAS. I mean, you can put a buy stop right here. Watch. We'll do a buy stop right here. 3,934.29 buy stop. And if you're wrong, you're gonna have to put a 5 pip stop loss, 4 pip stop loss. It is a buy stop. You can put your buy stop line above here. Everyone that's new should only take 1 pip profit anyways. But I'm just saying it's too far away. Look, this needs to come back down to here. Our logo is how we trade. This needs to come up, come down, touch this again, and come back up. This needs to turn to red. You know how long this is going to take to turn to red? Oh, God, we don't have time for that. Actually, we're going to go see a little. We're going to see a little animal show, pet show. Are you busy? We're going to go see a pet show today. It's a cute little one. We saw it a couple years ago. It's so cute. Can you check crypto for me, please? Sure. Which crypto you want? What is a buy stop? A buy stop is a pending order that if it goes up, it will take the order. So a buy stop, for instance, is you put your line up here, and if price action comes, watch, you put your line up here, and if price action comes back around like this and hooks it, it'll engage this trade for you and open up a buy. So it's a future buy is what it is. Thomas say a buy stop equals a long, a sell stop equals short. Correct. AGIX. I can't pull AGIX up and whichever crypto you already said that. Oh, look, these are the cryptos we can check, and they're only the big boys. Here's the crypto ones. I'll show you what they look like. Here are your cryptos. I'll look for it for you, but I'm pretty sure we don't have. Yeah, I'm positive we don't have that AGIX. The AD is ADA, it's Cardano, and then Bit versus dollar. Then we have Bit, Cash, and then we have Dash, and then Dash, and Doge, and then Dot. Oh, these are the ones you have. These are the only and they're the bigger ones on MetaTrader 4. The bigger ones are here. And of course, you have your metals. Then you have your futures, and then you have your crosses, and you have your indices, and then you have your majors. So anything like that, I can trade for you. There's your energy, metals. So any of those things I could trade. The rest I cannot because I can't chart them. If I can chart them, I would. Buy stop. I'll call it again. Aggressive buy stop, which I wouldn't recommend, 3,933.06 SPX. Not as aggressive buy stop, 3,934.29. I don't like the trade because it's too far away. This is called a BS2. This is a buy stop too because it's too far away from this red line. It needs to pull back more. You need to see this come down and either touch it or come close to touching. And that goes across the board on US30 too, by the way. It's also a buy stop on US30, but I'm not taking it. Can't take it. I'm going to wait. I'm currently long in AGX. Oh, I wish I could. Bitcoin. Yeah, Bitcoin is easy. Yeah, there is a buy stop US30, but it's late in the day. I know it doesn't sound like it's late in the day, but this is getting late. It's almost noon. I think it's going to go down a little further towards the 5-minute now. Bitcoin, super easy. Been calling this shit all day, all morning for last year. Buy stop, by the way. 1-minute buy, 5-minute buy. Already was a 50. This is why you're a day late and a dollar short. Look, this is green, 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 red pattern with green, green indicator in history of the world. BOP, uh, the Bach indicator. It was a buy stop. Put it up over here. You'd have made every point, every dollar possible to call it. You went from 24,300 to 26,000. You would have made $3,000 on this 15-minute. Boom, and it calls out. Why I love it so much is because the indicator room on Bitcoin calls out with near 100% accuracy what Bitcoin's going to do. There's USD CAD, by the way. There you go. There's a 1-minute sell stop on Bitcoin, brand new, just happened. There's your alert, your banner. There's your alert showing it. There's your down arrow moving. You see all that? That's how it looks like when it's live. The scanner room is so freaking cool. But what I was getting at is if you do the 1-hour scanner room for Bitcoin, oh my gosh, it's been right since January the 3rd when it called Bitcoin buy at 16,300. So that's when it called it first. The scanner is almost exactly like this crazy as fuck. Look how great that is. Oh, is it time? All right. All right, guys, on TikTok, we're going to have to go. Does anybody have any more questions on TikTok? We got to roll. We're going to go see a cute little family show thingy. I probably have another maybe 5 or 10 minutes. I will. Anyone on TikTok have questions before we go? I'm going to head over to YouTube after this, and I'm going to answer questions over on YouTube last like I always do. The YouTube is a safety trade. Pet the Kiki. I know. That's Tuxie, our cat. Should I keep my long in then? What's a buy stop? Keep your long in Bitcoin. Specific advice for you. I'm not a financial planner. Yes, I would. 5-minute, 15-minute. Let me see if I can give you the problem with Bitcoin. See, this is your problem. It already shot the hell up and you're late. So if you already bought it early, you might want to sell 1 or 2. I don't know if you have, I don't know what you're doing with Bitcoin. If you have partials, I don't know what you're doing with that. But at any rate, and this is a fill in the gap. So it's a 15-minute fill in the gap. I already was a 30-minute. Already was a 1 hour. See, you're kind of late. This is a daily. See, this daily is just, this is your hope. If you have a couple, I would close one down and hold one. I don't know how many positions you have and what the positions are. But yes, I would hold one of those, move it to break even, and let it run. That's how I would handle it. Now, if you only have one position, I am not going to advise you on that one. You think US30 will continue down? I've been on and off all day. Got the pump yesterday. Nice. Good job, Ricky. Bree, thanks for passing the message to Pops. Still in, coach. Yeah. What are we doing here? Is US30 doing something? Yeah, here we go. We want US30 to go down to its. That's not gonna. I don't think US30 is gonna go down to its. US30 is a 1-minute buy. Do I think I want it to go down further? Do I think it's gonna go down further? That's a tough one. Then this looks like a buy stop all over to me. I don't think it's gonna do it. I think you're about to make money on these 1-minute. I just called the 1-minute SPX buy, by the way. That's the only one I would trade. But man, this is tempting. This is tempting as all get out right here. Yeah, this, I think it's just going to go right back up right now, to be honest with you. Damn. Trying to get you guys more buying opportunities, the good ones, but I can't do it. All right. So TikTok, we're heading over to YouTube. YouTube, guys, you can stay there because I'll answer all your questions over there too, which I can do a little more forthrightly. This is a buy stop US30 if you want to do it. So let's go ahead and mark this off. I'm going to write out what we're looking for now. This right here is gone. Doop. There is a daily buy stop on all three, by the way. Daily buy stop in SPX, US30, and NAS, all three. I'm going to leave you with these thoughts on TikTok. You're going to see a 1 minute chart, the 1 minute chart, buy stop all three. Then I would like it to go, prefer it to go to each one's 5 minute line and buy stop. Now, after that, we are looking at a, depending on which pair here, this is where it's going to get ugly. Hold on. Let me see something right here. 1 hour. It's a 1 hour, 4 hour sell stop. It is what it is. All right. And then after that, so meaning if they're doing CPR or some bullshit, it's probably going to drop it hard at that point. It's going to be a 1 hour. It's like a 1 hour slash 4 hour sell stop. All three. By all three, I mean SPX, US30, and NAS. Those are by all three. So there's my final predictions for you guys. What's going to happen, which will happen. And I do think you're going to see that drop. I just think you're going to see that drop first. Watch. 1 minute buy stop, all three indices. Prefer to go to each one's 5 minute line, and then there's a buy stop. So I'll show you what that looks like with the drawing. We're going to go over to the 5 minute. This is what I prefer it to do. Will it do this? I hope to God. Our rule is it comes up, comes over. It's going to come down like this. It's going to come up. Then you're going to see, how do you know when you're in the right spot? Because then you're going to see this right here. This indicator will turn red. All the rest will stay green. So it'll be green, 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 red on the 5 minute, green, green. This will hook back down like this, go below this red line or touch it at least. Then it's going to come back up again. Then you guys are going to make a shit ton of money. That's exactly what it should do. Will it do that? Or are we too hard up right now for it to come back down anytime soon? I don't know. I would wait until it does do this. So until it does this, I would wait, period. Just wait. You have to be patient. And I don't mean just on US30. You have to be patient on, it looks like it's just going to keep rocketing upward. I got to be honest with you. Oh, well, I'm trying. NAS, same thing. And USC, I don't think it's going to dip that hard. Oh, well, all we can do is hope for it. And you guys can make more money. If you see this formation, anyone that has system green, 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 red, green, green on the 5 minute, take that fucking trade, or I would. I'm not a financial advisor, but if I was, I'd take that trade. All right. There you go. German 31 minute. Awesome. North guy's calling that out. I believe him. He's experienced. ATM30. What a great day. I know we made so much money on ATM. Still in my buys, and I have one sell still open on US30 until it hits my take profit. That is still open. Oh. All right. Anyone at all have any questions on TikTok before I go? Heading over to YouTube. Anyone on TikTok have any questions before I go? Buy stop. US30 1 minute. Buy stop. SPX 1 minute. Buy stop. NAS 1 minute. Fill in the gap. 5 minute. Waiting for it to drop down. Turn red. I'm going to put these two up here. US30. Buy stop. NAS. Buy stop. 1 minute. SPX. Buy stop. When they drop down to their 5 minute, which I think they're going to do, then just go ahead and bop back in again. So if you see a drop here, just wait for it, and you'll see a 5 minute buy stop opportunity, probably in a couple hours, I would guess. Maybe about 1, 2 o'clock this afternoon, they're going to do that. Any rate, that's what you got. And then, of course, if you don't want to play any of these ups and all these ups, just wait around. There's a 1 hour, 4 hour that's going to be a sell stop. Not soon. I don't even think that'll be today unless there's some kind of bullshit news, CPI or some fucking bullshit. That's all they'll do. I haven't done much trading. Does your course cover the base? Yeah. Oh, yeah. This system is made for beginners. What? You're welcome, Christopher. Yes, this system is made for absolute beginners. It is color coded. Literally, who are you, Steve? If you can see right even here, right here, the green, 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 red, and this is green, green. You put a buy stop, which is just a pending order, which is just a buy. You put it right here and it went up. You made money. That's all you have to know is this pattern. Don't get all that silly stuff that you think you need to know produces 97% losers. Okay. That's exactly what happens. What do I mean? Type in Google again for the 20th time. Type in Google, say, on do okay, let me be specific. Do 97% of all traders lose money? And Google answers on any given day, 97% of day traders lose money. Period. So if you're do not worry about trying to learn silly things like Fibonacci retracement, support and resistance, look to the left, ascending, descending wedges, all that is just lies. It's just all silliness. All of that led me to 6 years of losing, and I didn't lose like 97% of my trades. I probably lost 99% of my trades. So don't think that. It's very easy to trade, extremely easy to trade. CPI already happened. Talking about a dud on that thing. CPI is a joke. NFP is a joke. Don't even get me started on any of the news. Woo, earnings are coming out. Get out of here, idiots. Anyways, Van Nevels, how long did it take you to find a system? Well, it took me 6 years of losing. Well, about 5.5 years of losing. Then I got pissed and I started figuring it out. That's how long. Yeah, trust me on that. There's just what they teach us causes us to lose 97% of the time. I wouldn't learn it. I wouldn't rely on it. What I'm teaching you is going to be the opposite of those numbers. You're welcome, Steve. All right, I'm going to go on TikTok. See you guys heading over to YouTube. My YouTube channel is right here. I would get that anyways just to sign up for the alerts because the alerts on the YouTube channel are far superior. So every time I ever go live, which I've gone live 400 times over the last 6 months, 400 times over the last 6 months. The Safety Trade's the name of the YouTube channel. All right, guys, out of here on TikTok. See y'all. Thank y'all for the support. YouTube, any questions? YouTube, any questions? YouTube, almost to 5, US30, Kevin O'Connell, traders in the group. What daily returns even realize now that you're using system daily? A shit ton. Yeah, there people are. If Jay Cochran was here, Kevin, he would laugh at you. His daily returns are probably somewhere in the neighborhood of 25,000 to 50,000 a day. He's made over $100,000 a day multiple times with us. Tommy, 10,000 a day. Joe Jose, probably, I don't know, 400 to 500 to $1,000. Kimberly probably makes 500 to a couple thousand a day. Yeah. What's the red line on SPX? The red line on SPX. The red line on SPX. Where do you see a red line? You mean this thing? There isn't a, I don't see a red line on SPX. On the 1 minute chart, I don't see that. I'm sorry. The only thing red is this. This is constitution. This is a TST, safe trade system indicator that's turned red, and that indicates a buy stop. Is a metric fuck ton an acceptable answer? That is true, Thomas. That is the correct answer for okay, Rose. You're welcome, Ken. What's up, Ken? Sorry, I didn't see you, my friend. I'm doing a few grand a week. This system, but do you think there's still room? No, I haven't found anything to improve it. I'm always looking and there's been nothing. What's up, Ken? There are 9 hours in here. When you buy a scanner room, you get all time frames. Yes, that is true. Have a great time. BTC scanner, correct? Bitcoin is always correct. That scanner is fucking on point when it comes to using a scanner. Yeah, people make anywhere from probably $50 to $100 a day to $100,000 in a day, Kevin, just to be clear. And that'd be closer to a metric fuck ton. I guess what's the green line in the top left box with SPX, the green line? Oh, it's just a moving average. We don't talk about specifics here. You get it after you get the system, you sign the NDA, but it's just a simple moving, well, it's actually an exponential moving average. This green line is right there. And these are still 1 minute buy stops. It may just trickle over to the 5 minute, i.e., this red line right here will keep going up while this just moves over. It might not ever drop. That would be nice. We'll see. I'm not overly concerned with that trade. On my practice account, I've made over 330, over 250,000 days. Fat fingers. All right. Nice. All right, guys. YouTubers, we're out of here. It's been a lot of fun. Don't forget what the calls are. 1 minute buy, stop all three, but I prefer it to go down to each 5-minute lines and then back up again, which is a buy stop and then buy stop. And then there's a 1 hour, 4 hour sell stop, depending on which index you're on. I'm not going to get that specific on the 1 hour, 4 hour sell stop on all three indices. Okay. Thank you all for being here. Thank you all for the likes and the support. Let me see if I can find a way to get us out of here. Yep, there we go. All right, I'm about to log off. Last week, I wanted to see what I could do with $1 million funded account. I did 370,000 in 4 days. Oh, yeah. If you ever bet big, you can make a shit ton of money on there. Love y'all. Love you guys too. Thank you, Thomas. Thanks for everything. You're welcome, Patrick. Thank you all for being here. All right, guys. Hope you all made some money this morning printing with the ATM30. All right, guys.